Hey YouTube, how you guys doing this morning? Thanks for joining me. I guess you could talking about me behind my back. Uh, how you guys doing? Wow. Good morning. Con Air Games, Nora Lawler, Energy Sounds. Thanks guys. Wow, talking about me behind my back. It's all good stuff though. I see. So, oh, what a night. Okay, so I just gotta have my vape, my coffee. We're all ready to go here. Let's just get this thing going here. I'm just gonna pull up the Webull chart here for you guys. Oh, wrong one. That's a virus scanner. I'm going blind in my old age here. Okay, Webull. Let's see what's going on here today in the market. Okie dokie. So, wow, holy crap. I only took my eyes off of this for like a half an hour. I went and made a coffee, went outside for a minute, take the dogs out, and I came back in. This thing's jumped up 6%. No, yeah, 6%. Holy crap. Oh wow, today's gonna be a good day. I already kind of knew that, and I was talking to actually one of our viewers that's on here. I was talking to him last night. So yeah, it's gonna do pretty good today, I think. Yeah, so let me just set up everything here. We still got 4 minutes, as I always do. I'm just gonna set up this screen so I can talk to you guys. Okay, I got too many things on here. Just give me a second. Okay, we'll put that over on that screen. There, now I can talk to you guys. We'll scroll that up. Holy crap. Holy crap. You guys are very chatty this morning, which is good, good, good. Nothing wrong with that. Okay. Okay, let's put the first chat. Okay. Wow. Insane. Okay. Some information. Well, I set up here, I'm going to blast some information out because you guys like information. There's a whole bunch of banks that are not accepting AMC, eh? I'll bring it up right here. I just got it on my feed this morning. I'll bring it up because William Blair drops coverage on AMC. William Blair is an investing institution. It's kind of like TD Bank or kind of like, depends where you're from. We could say it's kind of like Webull saying that we don't want nothing to do with AMC. We don't want you to even talk in our institution. So that is huge stuff because, and this just happened yesterday, because they knew that all that media coverage, as you guys probably seen, that news anchor slipped about naked shorts. Oh man, that was awesome stuff. Oh man, I couldn't believe it. And I think everybody else too, the look on her face that was the look on my face. That's like saying that we're fraudsters. She just told the whole world. Well, I don't know about the whole. Well, yeah, I guess that's broadcast in every language now. It's already at like, oh wow, it almost banged on 9% right now. Okay, we got 2 minutes. Give me a second here. I'm just gonna hook up the Reddit server here, and then we're gonna be happening. Okay. Why is this not playing yet? Subscriptions. There we go. So, okay. So, yeah, back to reality here. Wow. Every time I take my eye off the screen, things happen, man. Maybe I should just sit and watch the screen today. I'm just going to sit here like this. It just went up 1.5% since I took my eyes, 0.75% since I took my eyes off the screen. So, yeah, maybe I won't watch the screen today. Just joking, guys. So, thank you everybody once again for coming. We just hit 9%. And market hasn't even opened yet. We still got 30 seconds. We're almost at 10%. Woo! Do you know what this is deja vu as? The day that it went to 100%. This is the same action. This is the same action. And you know that well, depends on what platform you read. Oh, market just opened. Okay, let's watch this. I'll keep my eyes on this. I'm just going to refresh Webull here, make sure we're on everything. We're on AMC. Hit the refresh button. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that placement. What? The whole market just stopped. What? Okay, what happened here? What's going on here? Do I got internet lag happening? Oh, there we go. Okay, we will get a bit of a down action. It always does. You know that, right? It does it every morning, but it's how we can hold it. Holy crap. We got a little, wow, look at the volume. This is the, oh, look at the fight back. Holy crap. Usually that'll go kunk, 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 and then we'll start building our stepping stones up. That's insane. Insane stuff. Okay, why am I not getting a voice chat here? Chat. Here we go. Okay, Conair Games, welcome, welcome. Chad, welcome. Energy, welcome. I know I already went through this a little bit earlier. Nora Lawler. Am I saying that right? Yep, that's right. And I think that's it, isn't it? I can't see, my chat bar won't go up any higher here. Okay, so that is insane. Okay, so let's do some digging here. So the news that came out was the news anchor that screwed up. Then we got holy crap, my whole portfolio, everything except the COVID pill. The COVID pill just got sued hard, and I lost a lot of money in there. We'll get in that later on. The whole thing's green. Wow. And AMC's the highest on the board. We're up there with Sundial right now. Oh, we just passed Sundial just now. I'm just looking at this portfolio here. Holy crap. Yeah, this is a good day. The last time this happened was exactly when we went to 100. Between 90 and 100, it kept on bouncing. So here we go. Why does that do that? It does that all the time. It should not recorrect itself when it goes to the next candle and we're in the candle like about 10 seconds. It turned that candle beside us red. I don't understand that, but I'll take it because look at this shit go. Here we go. I called this too. Here we go. This is going to be a beautiful frigging day, man. Okay, come on. We just need some, we got a lot of volume coming in. Why don't I have a chart here set up? Give me a second. We need a chart on here. We need to see the volume coming in. Every time I touch this when I'm on live, I screw the whole thing up. Okay, no, that's not it. That's weird. I don't know how it would have... Okay, anyways, we'll keep on messing with this. You guys can... sorry about this fucking around here. Order books. Is that it? I think I just did that one. Nothing. What? Don't tell me they're screwing around with this shit too. No data? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh yeah, pardon my language. Sorry guys. I know you guys got kids sitting there. I just get really upset over this. We pay for this crap. Oh, this is bullshit. Do you know what this is? This is trying to screw us over again. That's exactly what this is. You can't see the orders coming in and you can't predict that. So let's just get this crap off here. And all I can do today, sorry guys, we're at 15.55%. 15.55 and we're banging around 14, which is fine. I'll take it all day long. Very, very strong. So I'm gonna watch that. It's just there's a lot going on this morning. I'm gonna jump over. Let's check out some MicroVision. I'm very bullish on that right now. I did get some shares on that. So let's see what they're doing today. So the same thing when it buys in, and then it'll level itself out here. The thing with this one, it gets ladder attacked worse than AMC for some reason. The hedges got a hard on for this shit. This one, that's why I was very hesitant to put in on it. But I promised a couple people that are my followers that I would actually help this thing. I know my shares mean nothing, but it does give it publicity, I guess, on my channel. A little bit, I guess. I'm just a little small guy here, but there's quite a bit of followers now, I guess. I don't know. It's all good. I don't do it for, I just do this to help you guys out in a hobby, and it's kind of like a family now. There's a couple of you that I'm becoming, I say friends with now, man. It's pretty good. I like that. And if that's all we get out of it, that's all we get out of it, right? And we all make money at the end. Just so you guys know that at the end of the year, I usually have a big party in Mexico. We always rent a half a resort. Probably this year it'll be the whole resort. So I'll be giving the address, and we'll be doing live stream from down there, stock trading. And if it's a bunch of us there, if there's 20 or 30 of us there, we'll all be doing it off a big screen TV with a webcam, and we'll be doing stock trades together. It'll be awesome. Morning, Kat. Yeah, you like that, eh? That's why I bought. Makes you think what will happen. Yeah, I know. Okay, Okay, I'm just reading this. I can't tell you that they're shorting it to bring the price down. That's the thing, Kat. I was just talking about that before you to Clove. It was pretty obvious. Yeah, see, the thing with MVIS is that they, like I said, that they're tacking the shit out of this. I did a video on this about a month ago, and remember, and that video had like, I was just newer back then, and I don't even think I had 200 subs. The thing went semi-viral. It had like, I think 3,000 hits within like 2 hours. It just went woof. It just went nuts. And because we caught a ladder attack. Good morning, 6MT. So we're just discussing about MicroVision here. And I'm going to bounce off here. Okay, AMC is at $53.60. We're at 12% across the board right now. So I just want to pull up this because I'm very intrigued by MicroVision right now. Call options on Kat. You just hit me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Is it for MicroVision or is it for AMC? So I'm just going to keep on yattering here. This thing gets attacked large. Attack. Okay, like I did on my video. This is bad. What am I on? I'm on the 1 minute. This one's bad right here. Here, let's pull this back a bit. Really bad. Look at all the red. See, that's why I was very lenient on this one. But look at all these W's. These W's are a bullish sign. A bullish sign that it's going to go up. And look at boom, 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 boom. See? But it is a meme stock. So you guys look at this tack. Stimulus money. That's exactly what that is. Stimulus money and what do we get? What is it? CERB money for Canadians. So I'm just going to blast off this. I'm going to... So it's doing a good consolidation right now. A lot of sideways action. We're going to need that. If we can get up, I did get it. Am I in the money yet? I don't think. I think I bought it at 20.50. I think I'm now in the green. But I bought it and it went down. I lost money right away. I only put a couple G in on this. Okay, I never went all in. So let's check out. Is anybody else MVS? Yeah, it is. It is. And that's why the short interest is I can't pull it up. It was up high though. It was up. It went up from last month to like it doubled. So I was very intrigued. I crunched the numbers and was looking at this. I'm like, crap, man, this thing could fucking squeeze, right? So I threw in 2G, and if it squeezes, then I make myself well. That's easy math. At $20, if it squeezes, I bought $2,000 worth. So that would be 100 shares. So 100 shares with I know it's peanuts, but it all helps, right? Because if everybody did that, that's what everybody did on AMC. So I'm just going to jump to AMC here. Just looking at BlackBerry is at 2%. So beautiful. We crossed our line. Remember, this is just a CS Trades line. This is nothing that is in stone. Let's go back to see, just for the new people on here, to see what I was doing. I was screwing around with it because this is significant to me. I don't know about any other traders, but I do my own lines. I taught myself how to read charts. It's touch points we're looking for. Okay, this is a support level. Okay, it was a resistance level. Now it's a support level because we passed it. Okay, so and I got some new lights. I hooked my whole trading studio up with LED lights all the way around on the weekend. So if you see me turning different colors, I'm not turning green like with the green eyes, you know, I have that thing on my Twitter. Okay, it just something different. I was bored on the weekend. Bought it on Amazon. They were only $20. So we were in a bull flag. That's what was happening. We were in a bull flag. We all were. I was, but I was too. So anyways, we were in a bull flag. We broke out of it. We kept on bouncing around. It drove us down, but look at all the touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 candlesticks. I knew that was a serious number, okay? So we got through it and we hit it. See how we hit it? 1, 2, 3 times already. And it once you break through, we have enough volume, it'll keep on levitating on that, okay? That's why I don't believe these charts. They're just guidelines. It's a computer spitting out stuff. And a lot of traders, I got to watch what I say here. I just don't want to disrespect anybody. I used to do it when I was trading too. You start using these charts and you go off of those numbers. They don't mean shit. It's because they do if there's past history on this. You have to remember AMC, we're past these lines. We're in territory. These indicators are just strictly guidelines, which they usually are, but they're off the table now. Okay? Like that's why I'm always talking about the AME and the EM, the EM and the EMA, AM. Yeah, these lines right here. I don't really use them anymore. They do when they cross over. It does mean something like when the EMA crosses the MA. It does mean a bullish trend. Yes, but that's all it means. You can't use them anymore for what they're intended for, only as a guideline. Okay, there's some education. I'll shut the hell up. I don't know if you guys like it when I teach you along the way. I know I sound like a broken record. It's just that I like doing it. I don't know. It's natural. So my son doesn't even want to learn. He's that younger generation. Okay. Well, somebody, yeah, okay. I'll keep on doing it then. So yeah, so that's what, my son, he's younger. I guess he's the millennial. No, what's after the millennial? I can't keep track of all this stuff. He doesn't want to know nothing. He went and sold all of his shares on AMC after I told him not to. You can't beat on him. Don't bag on him on this channel, okay? Just because it is my son. He learned his lesson. He needs to listen to dad. So he's also my stepson, and he, yeah, that's true. That is Conair. Yeah, buddy, that's so true. And we were talking about that. Remember? You know what I'm talking about. We were talking, not on here, but we were talking earlier about that. About this new generation and stuff. No disrespect to the young guys. We weren't bagging on you. Justin, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. So, anyways, I'm just reading this chart a bit here. Just give me a second. I'm just looking. Okay, we're gonna go through some numbers, and if you want me to cover something, just throw it out there. Different ticker symbol. Okay, I'll put my stage voice on. Okay, AMC ticker symbol. We are at $54.78. We're 14.32 in the green. And we're doing beautiful, beautiful stuff. We're doing a consult right now. This will drive this up. We're going to get that tailwind. This is an awesome bullish sign, okay? Even if we get the down swoop, they can have that. We got this in the bag today, guys. Like, look at that. It just bounced it to green. Why does it do that? I don't know. Okay, watch. This line, I'm just going to see something. See, it just switched that to red. I'm going to have to look into that. I think maybe I might have a lag or something, because that defeats all the thesis behind the Japanese candlestick. You can't switch a candlestick after it's done its trend to a different color, because then it changes the whole friggin' chart. Like it changes the whole demeanor of the whole system from that point on, right? Because it just switched in from a different type. It turned into a hammer, an inverted hammer, from I think it was a spin top into a inverted hammer doji, and it doesn't do that. Here, it must be a data lag. Here, So anyways, we got to fight. We need some more volume. We definitely need volume, but we're going to get it today. Remember, what I was saying is probably about, remember we seen that serious action between about 8:30, I'd say, to about 11. The volume, it's the younger traders. I think the reporting is off. I think so too, because I've been having this for a while. Different patterns, are you? Okay, because I'm gonna do a little bit of research tonight. What I'll do is I'm gonna look into Yahoo. I might pull a Yahoo up. It's just that I like on Yahoo using hollow candlesticks. Okay, but I just don't want to mess you guys up. I can teach you guys that. They're both Japanese sticks. One's from a different part of Japan back in the day. The other one's older. It's about 50 years older. Like, these are thousands of years old, just so you know that. These candlesticks. Okay, this pattern charting is for weighing rice. Just so you guys, I don't know if you know that, but it is. That's the truth. So anyways, let's see if this line actually means something that I put here. Maybe I'm blowing smoke up my own ass. But there you go. See, let's see. What was I talking to you about? I think reporting is off. Chart to Weeble. Oh, yeah, you said that. I got a bit of a data lag here. What's going on here? I do have a bit. Okay, I replay on patterns to trade, so when they are different to make trades. Yeah, I noticed that too. A lot of them have that 15-minute lag, right? So, FF, how you doing? About the hackers, I did read that. Trades got hacked. BAM got hacked. Yeah, what it is, I think we're on the same one. I think we're on the same article. Just say a yay or a nay. I'll read into it, and if there's enough justivity in it, I will broadcast it. It's just, it's kind of already old news, and they've already covered a couple of the big channels. I don't really like doing that. Because I have to dedicate the copywriting to them. I have to contact them. Mine is open right. Okay, my channel, I check off the box open right. It means collective writing. It means that anybody can use my content. I don't care. I get the credit for it because it's copyrighted, right? It's branded. Sorry, I'm branded. Okay, so a lot of them protect their information. They don't want you to use their stuff. These big channels, right? You have to ask for permission, because they will come after you. Not in the sense that they'll sue you, but what they'll do is take a box off. I can do it too. If somebody uses my stuff, but they can because I took the box off, I can copyright claim them, okay? Which is not good. If you get 3, you're done. Your channel gets shut down permanently, never opened again. Anything with your IP address, you cannot open a YouTube account. It really screws you over. You have to get a new internet provider. Do you think that... Yeah, it does, Justin. It does get crazy on that when they don't even answer your questions. I promised when I started to myself and to my very first viewers. I think there's a bunch of you on here. A couple of them. There was one earlier there. She's like in my first 20 or 30, which it doesn't matter your number. I treat everybody the same. I made these deals to myself to be able to do this stuff. Okay, so. The thing is I try to answer all the questions, and if that happens, there's buttons to slow down the chat. So what I can do is stall it, so it goes because I'm assuming eventually it's going to start going really fast. But if you do put the comments in the bottom or anything like that, and there is an email address that you can contact to me, I try to answer all my questions that are asked of me, and if not, I'll be getting a mod down the road to do it. Okay, I'll probably be hiring somebody to do it if it gets that busy. I don't know if my channel will ever get that busy, but just because I'm working and stuff now. But enough of this. I could talk all day just because you guys are like family now, man. So anyways, we're getting this consult side action here. This is beautiful stuff. This is a bullish sign. Watch this. Watch the next candlestick. It's going to rip. After we'll get a little bit more of this and we're going to friggin' shoot up. Watch this. Right now it's just compiling, but we have no volume coming in right now. None. It's just stalled for some reason, which is good. Yeah, see that? Oh, there we go. There we go. See I see the sign, right? It could switch red, but it'll rip. It'll rip. There you guys go. There you guys go. See? Yeah, why the hell? What the hell? Jesus. Wow, I'm not liking this. I'm pretty good at reading candle charts. See? There you go. I can predict stuff pretty good. Like, as you guys know, or else you wouldn't be watching my channel, I've predicted some serious shit. Like that 100% increase was a prediction. I didn't know it was going to go that high, though. And this can always change, too, right? So anyways, enough blowing smoke up my own butt. We're at $56 and 20, 30, 40, 48 cents, 17.60. Okay, I'm going to go through the numbers here. I haven't done that yet, guys. Okay, we opened at 52.48, right? We all know that. The low, oh no, we're not going to go on that. Who cares what the low is? That's karma. Okay, here comes the volume, guys. Here we go. This is what we want. Oh, what I was saying is the younger generation, like my son, they don't get out of bed. No disrespect to anybody. They don't get out to bed till like 9, 10, 11 o'clock. Okay, especially with the COVID thing. I'm not bagging on you guys if you're younger. I'm just saying that back when I was younger, I walked up a hill with no shoes on in the snow. Yeah, that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? It's just I'm used to getting up at 4 in the morning, right? So I'm ready to go. Like right now is like my lunch hour almost. Like, so I'm already ready to go. But I noticed a lot of the platforms are about 80% younger traders. We're turning into dinosaurs, right? So, and they don't want to learn. They just want to invest and make money. Well, it don't work like that. Especially when you get out of a volatile stock like this, you'll screw yourself and lose all your money. Okay, you gotta learn these charts. Okay, you have to. I told my son the same friggin' thing. That's why I got those playlists with podcasts in them. I think I might start doing it too. I was talking to a friend of mine, a couple people actually, about it in the last couple of days, and they're like, go with what you like. Who cares about everybody else? So I think I might start doing it again. We're on part 7 coming up, and we're getting into some good stuff. I'm gonna read you how to doji signs and all that stuff. But anyways, enough about this. We got this drive up. We had some good volume. We had with 3 million. Yeah, that's true. Yes, Conair. Yes, it does. That's the thing. That's the thing, right? That's why this company is doing good. If it didn't have all this publicity and all the theaters, and if it went pretty much bankrupt, the whales wouldn't be on it. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. The friggin' hedge funds are petting with us now. I actually got a warning from some of the big channels. I got some private messages. We talk back and forth. I'm not going to mention names on here out of respect because I haven't had the permission to. But yeah, I get contacted by some of the big guys, right? Just for warnings and stuff like that. There's imposters. I already did put a video on it, but I'm talking. It goes really deep. And I'm not going to mention any names on here because I don't know who they are and all that. And we know some of them, and that's what that attack was, that cyber attack. Hey, is that guy still on here? I'll have a question for you. Is that person, sorry, I didn't mean to call you a guy. Was that you, Financial Freedom? It was. FF, are you still on here, buddy? We're at 20% now, guys. 19.85. This thing, 19, it went back down to 18,997. We're at $27.06. FF. Okay, so I hope you don't mind I call you that. It's just I'm gonna run out of breath here. Okay, that hacker thing you were talking about, that was to do with them hacking the big companies or traders like myself on YouTube, right? Coming after you if you don't have a VPN and just frying your computer and shit. Because it's happened to about 10 people so far in the last 3 days. Look at this. CS Trades called that one, didn't he? Look at that. Beautiful run. Beautiful run. We will get some side action now because we have to. We don't have the volume to sustain that run. Yes? Oh, okay, yeah, you said yes on that. So you just, yeah, if you could answer that question, I just want to make sure, because I'm very intrigued about that tax shit. Not that they would, well, I can't say maybe they would attack me because I can be an asshole online and I confront people, as you know, on my channel. There we go. There we go. This is going to be a good day today. We got to get that volume up here because when they start ladder attack, which you know they are, we can fight them. But with this much volume, it slam us right down the friggin' bottom again. We don't have enough volume to withstand a ladder attack right now. Look at that, eh? Woo! That's exactly the beautiful thing about trading. So we need some more side action. Throw us a couple side actions, or else that's going to go up and down. Do. Yeah, that's the thing too. I heard broker accounts. Yes, getting hacked. The Bitcoin got hacked there, right? It is a real thing, and I think the TD Bank got hacked. It was in Canada they got hacked. They didn't get hacked in the States there. So, but yeah, they've had some cybersecurity. That's where BlackBerry comes in. The best cybersecurity in the world is BlackBerry. Okay, just so you guys know, and a lot of people are realizing that. That stock is down low right now. Like, wow, I'm gonna. Oh, it's back up. It's up 8% this morning as I say that. Okay, so we are the highest on the board right now in my whole portfolio for AMC. We're doing beautiful today. Okay, I'm going to go through the numbers. I didn't go through the numbers yet. I'm just going to go through them. I keep on getting sidetracked. So, anyways, I shouldn't say I can't get hacked because anybody can get hacked. I got some serious stuff. I got a high-end gaming computer. But it's meant for, like, I could stream like 5 different things on it. It's one of the best on the market. But I got a VPN, right? So it's virtual private network. It ghosts your computer so it looks like a ghost on the board. But the hackers, they build that shit. They make the VPNs for these big companies, the good ones, right? So let's get into some numbers here. We're at 75.36 million today. We've percentage overturns 15.09. And what time? We're about almost a half an hour. That's a little low, guys. But I think the shares out are 500 million, 0.78. Wow, that's gone up. Wow. And I don't see the short interest on here. Yeah, this one doesn't show it. I could bring it up. Your order has been filed on Wealthsimple Trades. Oh, yeah. Duh. I told you I bought some MicroVision. Yeah. They just filled my friggin' order now? Oh, my God. What did I end up paying for it? We're not going to get into that now because I don't want to get pissed off. Okay, yeah, I'm just checking stuff right now. I guess my order's just been filled now? Wow, that's very unprofessional, man. Not happy. What the fuck did I pay for it? Pardon my language. That stuff pisses me off. That order was put in a long time ago. Okay. Anyways, so I'm just going to check the portfolio on I'm using Webull as my scanner, which is I'm not impressed with. I think it's a lot of people are on it too. And, so, I'm going to jump over. We're going to jump over to some, I'm just going to read some symbols off to you because, MicroVision is going to squeeze, guys, for sure. I don't know when. You guys, I know, love asking me that question. How much is it going to go? What price? I do have an answer. I just can't tell you guys that. Okay, what I'm going to tell you is it's going to go in the hundreds. It's not going to, I don't think it'll go in the thousands. And sorry, you guys don't want to probably hear that. It's just that MicroVision is up a little bit high now. If it was lower, there's a lot of people who can't afford that. It's the same as this is getting at a price range for the average person, okay? So, back to what I was saying is whales are getting in on this. Okay, whales, hedgies are posing as apes, as the wolf pack. Say me coming in as a channel, new guy. That's why it's hard for me to get to talk to a lot of people because I don't have 100,000 subs. So what they'll do is target me and try coming after me, and then I got to back myself up because I'm affiliated with the Wall Street Breakers, and they can go there and check it out. Yeah, this guy's legit. That's what they're doing, is these people are targeting people and coming after these smaller groups and saying that they're frauds, they're shills. I've been attacked lots just in the last 3 days by like probably 5 different people on different sites saying, hey, you're fraudulent, on and on, you don't have that many followers, you're nothing, you're no good. And then I just paste a link, and then they see Wall Street Breakers, and I'm right on the top. It says affiliate, right? CS Trades 101 is affiliated, right? Well, you're not just, that means we're one. The company's one, right? So it is what it is, right? It's just a bunch of bullshit as far as I'm concerned, but they're just trying to protect their own, because once Hedgie gets inside of a group on a channel, oh my God, they can do a lot of damage. Okay, so they're opening up channels saying sell, 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 sell. Hey, this is just don't sell. Anybody getting on the channel or passing through. I'm not saying sell, okay? I'm saying that I'm just hypothetically, this is what these people are doing to these channels, like Uncle Douchebag, right? Like him getting on there with 100 subs and telling people, all, yeah, sell, man, AMC's a junk, it's bankrupt, and on and on and on. He's an idiot, right? So, anyways, there's my name I threw out for the day. So, anyways, and guys, I can't tell you really what to do, but stay away from the COVID pill right now. I got stung on that, and it's just levitating. The thing is they got sued hard for something. I don't know what it is. I got all the stuff on my email. It's very, very lawyer shit. So I have to send it off to my buddy that's a lawyer, and I'm going to get him to dive into it a little bit. Okay, one thing that's not for sure if you want or not, but you can turn down the stream lag on YouTube. I'm looking at at my Weeble at the same time, and I think your stream is 30 seconds behind. You can turn down the stream lag. Okay, how do you do that, buddy? Like I'm a silverback wolf here. Help me out. I don't think I can do it while I'm live, but I think I know where it says on the bottom it'll say like low, ultra low, normal. Is that what you're saying? Because I have it set on medium or low. Okay, we are getting some we're getting a little bit of down action right here. No, Justin, I like it when you tell me stuff like that, man. I learn too. I'm not one of these people. I love learning, right? And I like learning about people, right? And I don't know it all, and I never would say I do know it all on anything, except welding. That's something I'm really good at, but I don't know it all, though. So anyways, I'm just going to scan down here. Costs is at $29.80. They're at 10.85%. We got naked, ticker symbol NAKD. We're at 0.8050, 15.34%. In the green. AMC's still at the highest on my board. Okay, we got I heard that Trey and Matt talk about it, and they're all this about no lag, I think. I don't think you can do it while you're live. I don't think so either. I think I know what you're talking about. I do have a problem with the software. Since I've had this software set up, it's just I've paid, I think it was for 3 months. As soon as the subscription's up, I am getting a bit of a lag. When I talk, my voice is about 2 seconds behind, and there's nothing I can do about that. I've actually taken videos and sent them to the company, and they've tried helping me to sit down my bit rate, buffer rate. We screwed around with it for hours, and it's all by chat back and forth. It's very time consuming. So that's, is that what you're talking about? I can't fix that. That it actually happens if I don't go live. That actually, if I'm shooting just a podcast and then I'll broadcast it later, it does the same thing. Okay. So anyways, SOS is in the red, 3.601. That's ticker symbol SOS. GameStop. We're actually going to jump on that one. Give us something to look at instead of my neck starting to hurt from looking over at the left side here. So ticker symbol GME. GameStop. 264 right on the dot. So it is at 6.21, and we do have a lag here. There we go. Yeah, Webull is lagging today. I think it's all the people that are using it. I think they're not used to that much influx. There's a substantial amount of people that are trading now in the last couple days. I know it's almost gone up a quarter across all the boards, all the trading platforms, everything. Plato. Right on. Is that what you... Loop Energy. I was going to buy that, but I bought MicroVision instead. BB, ticker symbol BB. BlackBerry is at 1817, 8.54 in the green. This thing did a good one here this morning. I like that. Usually GME will go up and then slam back down and then consolidate and just stay there for the day. GME is, like I said, is really expensive. The average person cannot afford it. I can't afford this, right? I could buy maybe 2 stocks, but really? You know what I mean? If it goes up, it's already done its pump. It's already done its pump and it's levitating, right? It's going to go, it could possibly go up higher, right? It is what it is, right? I have my eyes set, not saying that this isn't bad. It's not going to pump. It's not going to squeeze. Yeah, I probably could. I do cover it. It's just that I invest my money into things that I like to watch grow from the bottom up so I can watch it go. This, I've watched it. It's gone before. It was already at hundreds of dollars before when I was watching it back like 6 months ago, right? Increase is better than the dollar increase. Yeah. That's true. That's true. That is true, guys. That is true. Okay, so Bitcoin is actually taking Ethereum is taking a bit of a recovery. It's only green 0.52. It's at $2,782.65. Bitcoin, which I don't believe in. We're not even going to cover it. I don't cover Bloodcoin here on this channel. I will cover some Doji though. Doji, US coin, is at 0.3641. Is at negative 3.1, or it's negative 3.53. I'll say that again. Wow, I'm just having issues today. I'll start all over on that one. 0.36. Okay, the percentage is 3.02. It is in the negative. We're going to dump into some sundial. Okay, SNDL, ticker symbol, is trading really good today. It's at $1.20, $1.19 in that range. It's at 10%. This one right here, if you're going to buy in or watch yourself, anything to do with marijuana stocks is very versatile, okay? This is the best one, though, out of all of them. They have bought up like pretty much everything in Canada, okay? They do take their money instead of taking it and just pocketing it for the CEOs and just going partying or whatever the hell they do with their money. They actually do put in the company and start buying other companies, okay? These will be number one in Canada, okay? Just watch yourself on that, okay? You can always see something when it does this. See these candlesticks? That's low volume. That means that this company does not have, that's why it goes up so high. So if a whale comes in here and buys something and drops like 100 grand, he'll put this thing up 10%. And then you got to watch because they'll pull it back out within 2 hours later. That's called pumping and dumping legitly. That's not illegal, okay? If I had millions of dollars, I'd do it too, right? Why not make 10% on your money? Like just like that within 2 hours. That's a lot of money, right? So, I'm just going to read some chats here. I'm going to get us off here. I'm just going to scan down. MicroVision's at $21. It's gone up a bit. $21.68. It's at 7.11%. Good. COVID pills going up. I just want out of that one. I want out of that because I don't know if that news is caught on. Well, now that I broadcast it, but I just want my subscribers to stay away from it for now. If you're in it, just wait until it goes up and then you know what to do, guys. It's just that we don't know how much that lawsuit's going to cost them, okay? It's a class action lawsuit. You got to watch that because that might bankrupt the company and then we're screwed, okay? I've got about 5 or I think about 3,000 or 5,000. I have to actually check. Okay, so we're going to put this on a nicer ticker symbol for you. Okay, we're going to put this on AMC. We're going to hit the refresh button because that's the way we roll. And there you go. Wow, beauty, 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 beauty. She sure don't like my line, eh? She wants to stay away from that line. Okay, I'm going to read some chat here for you guys. For my ultra low setting, okay, thanks, Justin. Ultra low setting. Okay, that's the one. Okay, that's the one I haven't tried. Okay, I tried all the other ones. The ultra low, I'll try that tomorrow morning. And tomorrow morning, guys, Pacific Standard Time, I'm on at 4:15 in the morning now. I'm sorry, that's all I can do. I have to make money too and go to work. So I'm working 12-hour days, 6 days a week. Okay, I still will cover it unless I'm deathly tired or I get sick or something. I'll always be on here. Okay, but if it goes past 15 minutes past, and I'm not on here and the thing just sits there and it's just like he hasn't come, I won't come. Okay, that means there's something wrong. Don't wait on here for hours for me to show up. Okay. And I try to always be on. My success rate of coming on here is like about 100%. So, I'd have to pretty much be just dead to not care. Okay. I'm going to read the chats here. If I had $1,000, I would much rather have 20 prices to create in $1 than a 20 spread and a 200. That's true. Yeah. Smart man. Smart man. Smart man. Okay. I haven't had my vapage this morning. Sorry, guys. I'll try to cover it in case you got kids watching and stuff. I try not to promote any bullshit, but it is what it is. At least I'm not in here chain smoking on you. Just proves I'm a normal person, eh? A lot of people think that, oh man, you got this channel, you're the stock guy and all that stuff. No, man, I'm just a normal person, right? Same as you guys. All I did was want to do this as a hobby, and a lot of people laughed at me and said, oh hey man, except my wife. She was very supportive. She goes, you should actually spread some of that knowledge, right? Because I'm doing really good on stocks. Like, look at my whole portfolio. Not bragging. Don't take this. I'm not bragging at all. This can all change red within 1 second. Okay, I'm just saying that the success rate is really good. About an 85 to 90% success rate on stocks. Okay, and I've read books and books and books and books and books and YouTube videos, but most of them are crap. Right, you gotta this is what I should tell you guys for some little bit of knowledge watching on YouTube channels. This is what I do. I'll watch 3 videos on the same topic, and then I'll put down the information. And if they're all 3 of them are the same, it's probably correct. But if one of them sounds correct, the rest aren't, I dig deeper. Okay, that's my rule, and it usually works. I do that with everything. When I'm teaching you guys candlesticks, if I don't know, or some charting and I don't know the correct answer, or I think I forgot over the years, what I'll do is I will go back and refresh myself, okay, on that. So I noticed that my phone, because I keep track of the chat 2 different ways, I noticed that my computer's lagging. My phone's coming in faster than my computer. What do you think about CC IV? Well, let's have a look there, FF. Okay, we're sitting at 54.88 on ticker symbol AMC, $14.50. We are having a little bit of a meltdown here. Not in a bad way. It's just melting and it's in the red. I just give me 1 second, FF. I want to watch this for a second. We don't have any volume coming in. That's our problem. It's just trickling in. Oh, it just picked up a bit. Here we go. We're starting to get some now. What time is it? It's still early. This thing's going to rip in the afternoon. Yeah, we're starting to get the volume now. Little bit. Okay, I just wanted to we're going to get a little side action now, which we need. We need to build some more steam here. We're pretty much down to where we started this morning. A little bit higher. Quite a bit higher, actually. We're about 7%. Anyways, what was I doing? Oh, yeah, ticker symbol. Let's check it out for you there, brother. CCIV. And that would be, is that Churchill Capital? I'm pretty sure that is what you're saying, right? Yeah, must be. Churchill Capital. Yes, I've heard. Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful. That is really good. I like that. Let's have some. I like that. That's exactly it. Boom, red. Little bit of consult. Up, consult. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful chart there. If you want to get a tattoo, I don't recommend it. That's a good one. That is a beautiful, that's like a picture perf Kodak moment. That right there. Just trying to see. They don't have that much volume coming in. They've overturned 2 points. See, what's the cap on this? 200 million shares. Yeah, this is a smaller company. Smaller company. So let's have a look here. I'm just going to pull this out here and do a little bit of looking here for you guys. Nice. Nice. Beautiful stuff right here. I like that. Not right here, I don't, but it's still, this is all beautiful stuff. This is good. You got your two shoulders. This is a head and shoulders. There's your head, two shoulders. Okay. Or you can call it a W. They're a little bit different, but that's on the cusp of, you can call it two different things, right? This thing looks pretty decent, actually. I don't see any red flags here. Oh, no, that's a nice run. That is beautiful, and that's over... Shit, that's over like the beginning of June. Doesn't look like it gets attacked at all. This looks like a long stock to me. This is something you want to do long. Churchill Capital, eh? I'm just going to check some news here, guys, on it. Options expiring. It doesn't have that much much bullshit attached to it, eh? Is this a government stock by any chance? Is this like a federal bank or something? I don't know anything about it. I've heard of it. Why aren't my fucking charts working? Did I get kicked? Maybe I didn't make my monthly payment. I'm not paying Webull anymore anyways. Screw them. They don't do anything anyways, man. So I actually wanted to bring up info on this one. You know, portfolio one. See, they've changed all this, man. This used to be so easy to use, this friggin' thing. Ah, there it is right there. Time sales. I'm not going to keep track of it on here, but I want to put that back on. It's doing a good run here. Let's put this back on the minute. You want to use the 5 minute on this one probably. Right? Yeah. And it's probably going to go up. Yeah, it is. I see signs that this is going to keep on climbing for the day. For sure. There's no reason for it to go down. Right? Very low volume. This must be a federal bank or something, because they don't really like screwing around with the feds. Yeah, look at this shit go, man. Their electric car company? Okay. Wow. Sorry for my ignorance. I'm learning too. Thank you for teaching me. That's awesome. I'm actually going to add this to the list. I'm very intrigued by this stock. I like it. Okay, I'm going to jump out of here, guys. I'm going to jump over to some stuff that I see. I'm getting a warning over here on my cell phone to go check out. This one's going up. Naked's going up pretty good today. We're at 14.80 across the board. It's at 14.61. Okay? You have to remember, these are meme stocks, okay? You got to watch yourself on these. They're very versatile stocks, the same as AMC, BlackBerry, that, okay? GameStop, all of them, okay? You guys got to watch yourself. You can get stung really good on these things. As you know, it's like, oh, AMC's having a little bit of a bloodbath here. Not really. And we got to get that volume up before these bastards start attacking us. There we go. There's my line. See, it hit that line and bounce. Come on, baby. Don't go through that friggin' line. We don't want it to go through my line. There it just it just, oh shit, it did just go through the wick. But that doesn't count. The body's not through. It was testing that limit. See, that's weird that they don't have that. I want to prove something that these charts are full of crap. And a lot of people use them and they lose a lot of money on that. I used to at first too. Okay, let's just check something out here. Pivot point. Okay, what was that number? I want to go back here to chart. 53.19. It's not even on there. See, there's my line. They're saying that they're calling it something different. They're calling it down here at $50 is the level. Let's see. Yeah, no, that's right. And it drove it back up. See, that line, it was whatever, 19 times it's bounced off that line in the last couple days. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, there we go. There we go. So that's the line. That's the line to free them. 53.19. We do not want it to go past there. Thanks, FF. I learned something. I've learned about 3 things so far today. The lag thing, the car company. Weird name for a car company, though. It sounds very, very upper class, right? And welcome everybody new to the channel. Mostly regulars are on here right now. But yeah, welcome everybody on Reddit. Oh yeah, there's a couple people in there. Reddit's a little slow today, too. And Facebook. Oh, I know what it is. I didn't hook up the links on Facebook and Twitter. Oh well, it is what it is. It is what it is. They know where to find me. So we're getting a bull happening here. Let's blow this up a bit. If we get a handle to form, that's a bullish sign. This is a bull. What's forming here? If we get a cup, or you can call it a cup, a handle, a teacup and handle. There's a lot of slang terms on this stuff. SOS. I was just looking at that today. We'll jump in there right now. I just want to see what this does right here for one. Just give me literally a minute and a half because these are only minute candlesticks. I just want another 30 seconds on this one. A minute and 20 seconds now. I just want to see what kind of a sign we get here. Here, I'll blow this up. That is kind of hard for you guys to see on the chart, isn't it? Oh, there, that's way better. Yeah, our volume's not bad today. We've already, okay, I'm going to read some numbers here, and then I'm going to jump over and check out SOS for you. Okay, I just want to see what this does for the next candlestick over. Yeah, see, that's so slow, which is good. Which is good. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted to see. That's fine. That's fine what's happening right now. Okay, and we are not getting attacked, ladder attacked at all on this today. They backed the fuck right off on this stock. We have no volume hardly. Well, we have volume coming, but nothing. Remember those candlesticks were just like that? That is that's what was happening the other day. This is exactly what we're setting ourselves up for a run here, guys. Just want to see that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You're gonna say, why is he saying beautiful? There's a red candlestick and it's going to. I'm reading the chart. That's what's happening. Come on, kick over. One more over, and I'll go check it out. I want to see that go to. I want to see that go to a green. Should be a green after. Okay, we just had a crossover of the two lines. Remember I said they're strictly. The next candlestick should be green. Okay. The next one after this, you get two reds, the green one, and that is a bullish sign. If we have the third one, then that would be called three crows. Okay, you have a positive trend followed by three negatives as a three crows. Okay. Anyways, that's good enough for me. I already know what's going to happen. I'm going to come back and I'm going to look at that. But yeah, it's very steady today. Unless that's a lag on my friggin' computer. I don't know. Who knows? Okay, SOS. Let's check this out for you, brother. Okay, we're ticker symbol SOS Limited. $3.61 and 9 pennies, if you want to call it that. Sorry, I'm just throwing some humor in there. So we're at negative 0.32, which is nothing. That's just chump change. Okay, the high for the day is pretty much this. I think there were 1%'s the high for the day. About that. The low for the day is we haven't hit the low. We're in about medium there. We just, yeah, watch this. It's going to, they're break even. So yeah, it would be like 0.52 or something like that. It would be the high. So yeah, we're pretty much at the same thing as when market opened. Let's have a look here. Yeah, market opened right here. Yeah, we're pretty much at about the same level. A little bit shyer, not by much. Okay, let's have a look here. You wanted me to check this out for you. We're going to put this on a different 5-minute candlestick. Okay. Doesn't look that bad, actually. What are these dropping in? How big a segments? Okay, that's $4, say, up there. What's the lowest? 3. Only like a 75% drop in that much? That's not bad. This stock, I have watched this before, and I know about this stock. It's just that back here, it was doing some weird shit. Yeah, this is why I was like, whoa, on this one. Put your friggin' brakes on. But it seems like it's straightening its act out a bit. Because, yeah, this is what I was seeing before. About what was it about? I don't know, probably about 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago. It was bleeding pretty bad. Let's check out some levels here. What is this at? 450. Okay, what's the high here? The high of all time here. 52 weeks. $15. Oh yeah, that's why it scared me. FF, this is what was scaring me. I think it was you. It was you or Kat that asked me to check this one out. But yeah, it was back at the high range and I was seeing bleeding. I was like, whoa. Put the brakes on, guys. I would not, if it was me, not buy this. I would stay the hell away from it for a while. Now, it looks like it's straightened out a bit. But maybe they got it down lower where they were if options are expiring or contracts that they're not going to get stung. See, we don't know that stuff, right? So maybe they're just letting this thing ride now. I don't know. Are you in big on this, FF? Like, you don't have to discuss personal information. If you want to, you can. There's some stuff I don't discuss. Like, I'll show you my bank account, but I'm not going to get into detail. Like, I cover my numbers up. I don't have a problem showing you bank statements, right? I'm very transparent on that. You are? Okay. Do you want to share what level when you bought? If you don't want to, you can say upper or higher. That's good enough for us. I'm just curious. I'm curious because I would like to help you out a bit on this. And if you are FF, you have been on here quite a bit. I will actually save this for you off to the side, and we will keep on looking at it through the week for you. Yeah, I'd buy into this. Right? I don't know how much I would put in, but that's a big friggin' wick. Holy shit. That was a green. This was a green wick before. This was green, and then it switched into a red. So it was testing these levels out up here. Right? I have $5.500. Oh, okay. Oh, well, you're a little bit lower. You're not by much. I'd be okay with that. Like, that's not bad. Right? You just went in the green, by the way. So $5 range. So you're about up here. Let's have a better look here for you, buddy. Up here. Yeah, you're gonna have to hold this a little bit long. I don't know what your plans are, and you don't have to discuss that because that's personal information. If you're just waiting to recover and maybe get out, or are you long on this, or I don't know. That's in your heart, man, right? Like there's certain stocks that I just won't let go. It doesn't matter what they do. Like the aviation sectors, I don't screw around with that shit. That's in there. That collects dividend. I don't mess with that. That's my retirement stuff, man. I don't add to, and I add to it. I bought in at $5. Okay, that's fair enough, right? Good for you. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, buddy. Did that answer you? Did you want me to? Is that okay? Did you want me to look at anything else on here? Because you can read the numbers here, or do you want me to go through it? Or are you cool with that? Which aviation company? Air Canada, buddy. All the way on that one. I would have gone to the States and gone after some of the other ones, but the Canadian one is like 50% off right now. It's trading at $27. There's a reason why I went with the Canadians. Okay. Air Canada right here. It's already gone up. I've already made more money this morning on it. I bought this at $23 and some chump change, right? The reason why I went with the Canadian one is because Air Canada is their only big aviation sector up in Canada, right? So I've done a lot of digging on this. It's already gone into bankruptcy, not protection, because up in Canada they call it something different. Just let me think about it. It goes, they propose, I guess, in Canada, they go to the government and they say, hey, we're on the verge of bankruptcy, and then the government will bail them out even before they go into the courts and apply for the bankruptcy protection program. Okay, so they will not let them go bankrupt. If they do go bankrupt in Canada, it would shut the whole country down for a long, long frigging time, and they can't do that, right? It's just not going to happen. Okay, so it is the biggest. This thing trades at, okay, well, let's look here. The 2-week low was $14. I wish I would have got it back then. 2-week high, $31. 52 weeks, sorry. Duh. So a year. Normally, let's go back. I'm just going to dig here. I'm just going to check out some. Yeah, so all of our stuff's trading good, guys. Nothing's bleeding. I don't see blood all over my desk. So AMC is at 55.26, 15.32 in the green. BB, BlackBerry, ticker symbol at 17.95. We're at 7.23. It's actually going up. I'm just going to blast some numbers off here, and then we're going to go back into this one, and we're going to dig a bit. I'm going to show you guys what to look for when you're buying a stock. Okay, GME, we're at $260.85. Okay, and we're 5.03 in the green. Okay, this is what I do. I go into the hour. I go hour or day on this. Okay, this is what I do when I'm looking to buy a stock. Okay, any stock out there. I look at this. This is just on the right-hand side. I'll look at all in the legend, and I'll find out what the statistics are on it, right? But I'll find out what it's trading at right now. I'll find out the low for the day, the high for the day, and I'll look back to see, okay? I'll look how many shares this company trades in volume. They're only trading not even 1 million. That's a low volume. Can this thing be pumped? Yes, it can be pumped, okay? So that's a good thing. You want a stock that can be pumped, okay? Because it just works out better for the company, right? In the long run. If they pump the shit out of this thing, they're going to make a lot of money. But a lot of people won't do that to this company because it is an aviation company. A lot of people don't. I wouldn't say they stay away from aviation stuff because it's very unpredictable, I would say, right? And just without being a meme stock. I'm just talking a normal stock. And it has federal backing by the government. Okay, look at this. So this is this was COVID, and I don't know the short on this. I don't think Weibo wouldn't have that kind of information on here. I don't know. I'd have to look. That doesn't really matter. Okay, look at this. So when I'm looking at a stock, we only went back into April, right? It's at $31. So if I would buy it today, it could go down a bit, but it's not going to go too much because look at this. It's been trading at 25 constantly across the board. 22 is the lowest. I'd lose a little bit of money. Maybe I'd lose like $800 on 5G. I'm okay with that, right? Because look at the history on this. Right? This is COVID. $19. $24. Wow. Look at this. So when it does tank, it doesn't go that low, right? It stops. So $19, 14 is the lowest I've seen it so far. Look at this, $28. Now we're into December, okay? 2020, okay? Here's where COVID hit, $14, okay? $19. So across the board here, $23. So now we'll go back before COVID, okay? $52. Bam, double your money, okay? That's what I look for. There you go. Proof is in the pudding, okay? That's how, yes, Air Canada does give a dividend. Not right now, as you can see, but Webull wouldn't cover that much on the Canadian stocks, I don't think, just because of the privacy issues and that. They do a bit, but they're not very active. No, they don't. But Air Canada isn't always for sale. Sometimes in some years that they don't sell shares. So it's a privilege to own this shit. Okay. In my generation, there's been times where they don't sell it. They'll take it off the table. Okay. So $52. There you go. $51. We're only back. What are we in? What year are we in? December. We're back 2019. Okay. It's at $40. Okay. Back low, back $41 is the low it's been trading all before COVID. It's like half price, guys. Right? $45. And the thing is, I'm going to give you some good inside information here. This thing, okay, just opened up in Italy for direct flights out of Canada to Italy. No COVID check. Well, no COVID checks on their end. Okay, restrictions lifted a bit. Here, of course, yeah, in Canada, there would be. So, anyways, that's my diagnosis on that. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. But that's how I do that to every stock, guys. Every stock. Yeah, I know. There's lots of news on that. But they'll never go bankrupt, though. The government always bail them out, Kat. You should know that. How many times have they gone and cried to the government for money? They're still running, right? See, the thing is I really don't care about. I do care about how good the company does, but I know that when the COVID lifts, you know how many flights are going to be going to Mexico and all around the world? Everybody has that bug right now. I got the friggin' bug. I'm usually in Mexico. Not this time of year. It's too hot, but that's up to you. I'm not pushing anything. I don't work for Air Canada. I'm not a broker for Air Canada. I don't boast Air Canada. I'm just putting it out there that's why apply this knowledge to every other stock I do. So, first thing I do, I'm just going to go through this. I'm just going to slow it down a bit because I do talk fast. Actually, we're going to put this on something else here. We'll put it back on AMC just because so you guys can watch the chart while I'm talking. So, do you want me to talk about something else? Am I boring you guys at all? Or do you want to learn how to buy stocks the way I do? Do you want to learn this, or do you want me to just move on to something else? You guys tell me. I'll wait till I get a reply back from a couple of you. I just don't want to be talking about stuff that bores you guys, okay? And that you don't care about because life's too short. Okay, I got one reply back. Okay, so here's what I do with a stock. Okay, any stock out there. Okay, I will go find out the news on it. Okay, of course I'll find out if it's going to go in bankruptcy protection, on all that stuff, right? That's just the first line stuff. You can just do that on Google. Okay, check 3 sources though. Always 3 sources. Get a pen out, and I don't care how good your memory is. You gotta do a circle. Draw. So we're gonna use AMC's different. It's a meme stock. Oh, sorry guys. We're going to use something different. Let's just use Air Canada, for instance, okay? Non-meme stock, okay? Because meme stock's very versatile. It's pumped by different platforms. We're pushing all that off the table, okay? So I'll put on the chart. I'll put Air Canada in the center, right? Draw a circle around it. Draw a line off of it. Basic chart, okay? Then I'll put down that dividend, like you asked. Do they pay dividend? Draw a circle. I'll branch it off with the price. I'll put the years that they paid, okay? So I'll get a statistic on that, a rough ballpark, okay? Then I'll leave the dividend alone, okay? Then I'll branch off what other companies work underneath that. Well, they have a cargo line for shipping cargo. Okay, that's a positive. Cargo line. What are their flights? What countries do they go to? Another circle. The different countries. Okay, wow, they got a huge clientele base. Okay, so then I'll off another branch. I'll draw another thing off. I'll draw the highs and lows. Okay, so over the amount, I'll do like a 5-year. Always a 5-year. If the company's that old. If not, then you're gonna have to figure something else out, which is not a problem. Just do a couple of years, right? Forget about the 1-year thing. That's off the table with COVID and all that. So do the 5-year plan, because the 5-year gives you it takes 5 years to do anything in the world. Okay, even interest rate, they base it off of 5-year, right? Of course, it's 20-year contracts and all that stuff, but the 5 years is the minimal, right? There's reasons for that. Okay, so I'll base it off there. So we seen what, $14 for Air Canada, right? And we got now at 27, and then we seen 41, 52, 43, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, okay? So we'll cross off the ones on the bottom, the 14, the 13, well, all the rest were above what I was going to pay. So that means that stock holds a value of around 45 to 55 bucks. Okay, and what's it at right now? 27. That's pretty good money. Okay, then I'm going to look back. Okay, well, what is its clientele base? Probably I'd say about almost half the people in the world use aviation. Okay, that's a huge positive. Okay, if you're using a company like Procter and Gamble, for instance, they are into toothpaste, shampoos, all that disposable stuff. But you got to watch it. You got to check who else are they in with, right? Air Canada is Air Canada. They don't go under a different name. So if something goes under a different name, that's very concerning too, okay? Because that sets them up for more failure, okay? So what if they get sued under that other name? Well, they're connected. Do you know what I'm saying? The only thing bad about an aviation sector is Boeing. Boeing has a bad track record right now because of all the crashes. But that's Boeing. They're not connected. See what I'm saying? I don't know if this makes any sense to you. You're a new investor? Oh, FF, cool, buddy. Go watch my charts up in my playlist, buddy. I'm actually going to do some more. I've talked myself into, oh, wow. Every time I talk and look down, AMC does better. So I'm just going to look like this for you guys, okay? I thought I was on the wrong stock because I'm not used to seeing $50. I was worried, oh, sorry, guys, I'm on Air Canada or on something else. But no, we're actually on here. And let's put this back on the normal chart here. Oops. Okay, so AMC ticker symbol for the people that have just got online here on the channel. It's at 55.92. Okay, and we are starting to get a little bit more volume. What time is it? Yeah, it's still early. We're at 1678, 17%. Okay, so we're doing really good right now. Okay, we're setting ourselves up again for another run. When I say a run, I don't mean like 30-40% run. I'm just talking like it's going to bump to the next level. You have to remember this stock seems to run in steps, okay? And when it has a run like this, it always comes back down, it seems. But if it consolidates like this, it seems like it doesn't go down that much. I'm just looking at past history. Okay, let's have a look here. There you go. Anything that consolidates like this, see how it goes up? See how it went up here? Down, right to the same friggin' level, okay? It's because it's volatile, okay? So if you, for something like this, It's going up. It went up. This one went up and right back down. Okay. This one went up in ladders. It went a little bit down, sideways a little bit down. I'll try to blow this up, a little bit down. Up steps, down steps. It doesn't just go down in one candlestick. Does that make any sense, guys? I don't know. Sorry if it doesn't. I'll keep on explaining it to you. Okay. These are stuff that aren't on my videos because I can't ask myself questions on my videos. Okay. And I don't do stock chart reading live, except like this, is because it takes a lot of time. And when I make a mistake, I can't go back and erase it. Okay. And I do make mistakes. I read a chart wrong or something like that. I can always go back in the video. I always listen to my videos 2 or 3 times when I'm doing stock charts. When I'm doing it like a podcast, say on MicroVision, I'll listen to it once. Maybe I won't even listen to it and I'll put it out there live. If there's a couple of mistakes, I don't care. It doesn't matter, right? As long as it's not major mistakes where it's going to screw somebody's education up or it can be taken different ways, right? That's why I hate typing and texting. So FF, well, you picked somebody that knows what they're talking about a little bit when it comes to channels and stuff. You're a new investor. Did you watch that video that I just put out the other day? So I just got to check this. Just something came in from Reddit. Oh, I've been upvoted for my MicroVision. What I was just talking to you about right now, I just got an upvote on Reddit for it. So we'll see what that one is right now. Yeah, I just got an upvote on the one on MicroVision. What I was doing was showing how... It wasn't just on MicroVision. It was showing. I know what the chart is saying. It's saying invest. I can't remember because it's too early in the morning. It's about stock charts, about how we're getting screwed over. It's about how it's not just investing anymore. You gotta. The media screws with you. Everybody's messing with you. You gotta have a strong back. People will tell you information on the news. It's lied. It's owned and bought and paid for this knowledge. You gotta do your own DD on this. Okay. Especially for something like Air Canada, okay? There's so much negative shit on that, but it's a good company, right? So, and the thing is like too, right? So you gotta do a little bit of research on this stuff, okay? So SOS is at, just because I know you got that stock, is at $3.65 across the board. They've gone up 0.69 for you, FF. I think it was FF asking that. So there you go. There's your teaching for the guys for the day. I'll do a little bit more as we go. I can't do it too much because a lot of people don't like that, which I can't say I don't care because I do care what the followers. I just go read the charts. Okay, go by watch that other video on you're a new investor. I want you to be aware of ladder tax, all that stuff, and I explain it and show it on there. It's a very, very short video. It's just the basics, okay? Because if I make a video too long on it, a lot of new investors, and I don't know how your age group, ones that are in like 19, 20, 21, nothing against you if you are, will clickbait it. Click right through it and then just not obtain any of it, okay? So I'm trying to learn this newer way of teaching. It's hard for me, right? So anyways, and you can always contact me on my email if you have questions, guys. You know that, right? Do I watch and go through it? Okay. Go into playlists and just check out those chart reading and watch them over and over and over. If you want to put it on your phone and just go to sleep or close your eyes and go lay in the bed or on the couch and just listen to it, your subconscious mind will make choices for you when you're investing. Okay. I really believe that. Sometimes you'll click on something like click and you'll go, and then all of a sudden, a couple of days, you're like, oh man, I shouldn't have bought that. And then all of a sudden it ripped. And you're like, holy crap, I'm in the money now, right? And you don't know why you bought that stuff. You don't know why you did that. That's your subconscious mind, guys. Your subconscious mind can make you very rich, okay? Without you even knowing. It's just you got to tap into it, okay? And now I sound like a weirdo, but I believe in that stuff, and I've changed my whole life around being. You don't listen to your stomach, or sorry, your heart. if you get that clenched feeling in your stomach and you know something's wrong, listen to that, okay? That is your defense mechanism. Every human has that. Even a psychopath has that to some degree, okay? Not saying anybody's a psychopath. I'm just saying that they even have it, okay? Everybody's born with that. It's called your inner protection, okay? If you listen to it, you'll notice your life will start straightening itself out. If you're like maybe I got ADHD, right? I always have as a kid. That really helps me, okay? Told you I'm not perfect. So anyways, enough about that. Now you know more about me than I know about you. Okay, so AMC, $55.40. We're at 15.70 right now. 16. We have gone through, what do we got going on here? We've overturned 28.16% of the current shares. There is definitely a lower amount of volume here. This thing should be just rocking. Oh, it's 10 to 8. We've been open 6:30 Pacific Standard Time, 6:37, 7:30, 8:30. No, we're not even 2 hours yet. Yeah, it's not bad. Even if we 15% is a good mark for even a day on any stock. Anything over 10 is good money. You can't even get that at the bank. I always tell people that. Like, that's good. Just hang on a second. I got some messages here. I'm just going to clear them because you guys are more important. Okay, so this is called, let's zoom up here. This is, if this stays green, which it's going to, I hope. Come on, stop messing with me. Don't make me look bad. So what this is called is three soldiers. Okay, a negative downtrend. Oh, you bastard. Okay, never mind. It can't turn red, or else that doesn't mean nothing. Okay. Well, no, it doesn't. It doesn't mean what I'm trying to tell you. Teach you, I mean. And FF, I just want to really help you. I'm kind of putting you under my wing a bit here, buddy. How do I word this correctly? I got to watch because I'm very assertive and I come across aggressive sometimes, and I don't mean to. I'm trying to change that appearance of myself. I don't mean to. I'm not like that. It's just that, I don't know. A lot of people say that. A lot of my friends say that. Very opinionative, which is that there's not a problem. Okay, so it is actually locked in on that. Okay, we'll blow this up. You have a negative downtrend followed by 3 up is 3 soldiers, okay? If this stayed red, which we don't want it to, but if it did, okay? So that's a sign of that this is going to be, this is a bullish trend, okay? That's a good sign. That's a good sign when you're reading a chart. Especially if you're going to be buying in, a buy-in point. And I'm not going to give any signals on that today. Because I did give that the other day and the market went down. Like, I can't predict this that much because it's very volatile, and I don't want to give any information out to anybody and get them to buy in, and then all of a sudden, I won't even say the word because I don't want to put karma on this today. But yeah, I felt really bad. I gave some advice and it went down a little bit, and it bugged me for the whole day. I think you know, or the person probably knows who I'm talking about, but I'm not going to mention any names. But it did recover. It did recover, and they made even more today. It's just that it really hurts me because I really care about this, and I care about you guys, right? So I try not to do that anymore, okay? So I will not give advice on when to buy and not, okay? I'll just give you the signs there. So anyways, we are doing great right now. And the thing is Naked's at ticker symbol NAKD is at 13.75% in the friggin' green. It's at 0.79. Okay, now let's go over to BB BlackBerry. Wow, it's getting up there slowly. Okay, ticker symbol BB BlackBerry, $18.20. 23 cents actually, and it's at positive 8.90. Okay, they do have it is a small company, and the volume that they've overturned today is 4.3 million, which is a lot for BlackBerry. And we are, oh, it was up higher. Yeah, it was up higher. Yeah, what goes up comes right back down if you don't have consolidation. But we just went over that in that little teaching session there, which is fine, right? Not that it goes down. I'm just saying that it is what it is, right? I'm just having a look here. I really love this stock. It's just that personally, I don't know. You guys do whatever you want, but I don't want it to go lower. But I would wait. I'd buy in down here, right? It's already done its little bit of a go for the day, but everybody's different though on that. And you can do whatever you want. I'm just talking about strictly about myself. And why is one of the indicators off here? What's going on here? Missing an indicator here. Sorry, guys. There it is. There we go. Something wasn't making right to me. Okay, so we are... I want that friggin' COVID pill to go up. It's really parsing me off. So let's jump on some MVIS. Do you guys want me to cover anything else that you're on? And FF, try not to spread yourself too thin, my brother friend. Okay? I know when you're an investor and you've probably been stung a couple times. I don't know for sure, but just watch what you do. Don't power buy into everything. And you probably already have, because I think everybody does it. Okay? So just kick back and just watch the videos and relax, and I will help you. I can't tell you what to do, but I'll just show you some stuff as we go along, and hopefully we can straighten everything out in the next couple months. Okay? So MicroVision, remember we were talking about, I said it was going to go today? There you go, guys. There you go. And I told you that back in here. Right? What time was it? Yeah, this is when the market opened. Remember I said this thing's going to have a good go today? There you go. It's not done yet. And I don't know how high this thing's going to go when it squeezes. I don't like putting numbers, but it's not going to go as high as AMC. Let's put it that way. Okay, that's a good assumption. It's nowhere close. Okay, and I know you don't want to hear that, but that's just my opinion. Okay, so be very, very, and I am putting a sign out on this, an SOS, same as AMC. Okay, when it does go into a squeeze, and when I don't know if I'm going to do one on when it's selling though, because I haven't been watching this enough to do that. I don't know the momentums of this stock, but when it goes into a squeeze, I can tell, and that will be a gamma or a full squeeze. Short squeeze, okay, because I'm gonna have to look into this a little bit more. I went out and bought just because a lot of my subscribers have this, and I wanted in on it too. No, I did a bit, right? But we're gonna this is what we got to bust through, guys. I'll help you guys out on this a bit. Okay, let's set up a line for you. And I know I'm spending some time on this. I'm watching everything else on the other side here. So let's just get in here a bit. Oh, wrong one. Let's just jump in here a bit. What the fuck? Why does this always mess with me? You bastard. Okay, it messed up a bit. Here, just hang on. You kidding me? Fuck. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, we're going to lock that for you guys. We're going to double line it. There you go. We're going to lock that baby up. Okay? There you guys go. For all you guys with the MVIS. Okay, this is what you want to get past today. Okay? There's two different lines that we want. The next one would be in this area right here on the upper edge of it. No, no, that's not correct. This stock's hard to read. Is it right there? There's your next line. Remember, they don't have to be dead on, okay? There's your next line, guys. It has hit 29 before, Cat. Yeah, I've seen something like that. The all-time high here. 29 or 20. That was before a year, 52. That was before 52 weeks, though, right? Because it's saying 28 here, which it could be wrong. I've seen these charts wrong before. We're going to lock this in for you here. We're going to hit the lock on that one. And I've switched the color to yellow because it comes default blue, and it's really hard to see. So yeah, we're with MicroVision. We're going to do that for you guys there, and we're going to actually have a look out here. We're going to have to zoom this out, and I want to see what's happening. That's looking good today. So we're going to get a little bit of consult here, and then we're going to go up. We want to smash through that thing hard, too. And let's see the volume here. Yeah, they want me to pay again for that. I'm not paying for that level 2 data. It's worth it. Waste of money, man. To watch people buy orders. It doesn't do anything. Doesn't do anything. All you're doing is watching a bunch of people buy stuff, and then they charge you for it. It's stupid, man. You can figure that out by the amount of volume going through. You just got to look at this up here in this corner right here. Right there. That's all you got to look at. And there's very low volume on this. This thing is not, for some reason, they're not attacking the stocks today. And Cat, I don't think it has gone above 29 or 28 area, which means that once it does hit up that level, you guys got to make a decision what you're going to do with this. Okay? Or when it hits any level, you make a decision. When you're in your comfort zone, you got to make that decision on this. Does this thing pay dividend? No. So that's one right there. That's where you got to figure out in your own head. Why are you holding this long? What are you doing with this stock? What are your intentions? Okay? You got to think about all that stuff. I'm not saying sell anything, right? I'm not saying buy anything. I'm just saying you got to figure this stuff out. You got to have a game plan, guys. Okay, when you buy stocks, you can't just go in there blindly, and that's when you start losing money. And I've done it. When I first started trading, I did the same thing as a lot of people do. And FF, I'm not putting you on the spot. And actually, I'm not going to say FF. To everybody out there, as you know, don't buy after hours. The chances of you getting ahead is very low. Okay. Because you'll be put in a queue, and then when it dumps in the morning, usually it's up high because they're all flooding the market, and then when that levels out, now you're down like up to a couple, 2, 3, 4, 5, even 6%. An exit strategy on AMC. My exit strategy on AMC, my friend, is no. Don't worry about the questions. No, this ticker, the chat box is slow. And I want to keep it like this. I can slow it right down too. When we start getting more people coming in here. It's Monday, right? Everybody's working right now. It's all good. My exit strategy, I'm going to be sending out an SOS. You're one of my subscribers. I'm going to be actually sending 2 out for the squeeze, and that's not the gamma. That doesn't mean a gamma. Like the other day, one person meant, well, why didn't you message me when it was up at 100%? Well, why would I, right? I don't even think he's on our channel anymore. He's kind of a little bit different, but it is what it is. Everybody, no, that's not a squeeze. Okay, that was a baby gamma, baby. That can kick a short squeeze, yes. But no, I'm not going to start sending podcasts out, and that's crying to the wolf, man. And I don't call out to the wolf because we're the wolf pack. The wolves don't cry. So exit strategy. I can't give figures because we don't know. I was talking to somebody, and you know who they are. Who you are. There's some numbers flying around out there. And I said I was going to mention that. There's a couple other channels that are throwing the number of around 2,000 and a half. Sorry about that, guys. Hit you. About 2,000 and a half a share. And literally, I said that. I share. That's not me saying that. That's just some other people that are throwing that out there that think could be worth about 2,500, 2,300 to 3,000. I'm throwing the extra little bit in there because it's hard to diagnose right on the number. They did do some number crunching. I did watch it. It does make sense. It does make sense. We're going to go off of MicroVision, guys. I got to get back over to AMC here just because it's getting because it's I noticed it going down. It's not really nothing. This is nothing. So I'll just put it on here while I talk. I forgot what I was talking about now. Oh yeah, exit strategy. I do have a number in my mind, what I would like to see it at and what I'm going to cash out at, but I'm not going to cash out because I will not cash out before I announce it. I will not screw you guys like that, okay? Because when I cash out, it's going to start going down, okay? Not that I have a million shares or anything like that. It's just that I'm going to be seeing signs. And when I start seeing the signs and when I cash out, it's going to domino effect, okay? So I'm going to be sending out 2 podcasts. They're going to be identical. Wham! One, and then one 10 minutes later, the same thing. Bang. Because a couple subscribers, and I've talked to some other channel people, that the notifications, you guys don't always get them, okay? So we're going to do that. And then always check up on this channel daily, okay? The squeeze is going to not last a couple hours. It's going to go in stages, okay? I might not put the broadcast out that when the squeeze is, yeah, that's just an easy one. But when the sell limit or exit strategy, as you called it, which is the correct terminology, is different for everybody, okay? I am putting out there because I have to legally protect myself. I'm going to be putting out there that this is what I'm doing, and I'm going to be selling live, okay? And it might even go up a couple thousand or $100 more higher. Okay, that's what I'm strictly putting. This is just me doing this, okay? So you can't come back on me and go, well, I could have made another 300,000 or something because it went up another 1,000. Well, that's your own DD, okay? I'm just doing it so I want to be safe and so my family's safe, okay? Because I don't want to be stuck holding it. Because when this thing drops, it's going to be dropping in $100, $50 segments fast. But you got to watch out, because what if it just does a dip and then you cash out and it's like, oh shit. And then it goes up another, whatever. We're just going to throw numbers out there, another couple grand or something, or another $500, which is a lot on a stock. Okay. So yeah, there you go. There you go, my friend. I know I danced around the bush on that one, but I got to. Okay. So I'm going to send that education out there and you guys have to make your decision. I can't come to your house and push the phone for you or your computer to cash out. Right. And I'll be dancing around the bush too, because that's a very big topic. Okay. I don't want to get sued. Okay. And I do have a lawyer friend that looks after me with that aspect. I know what to say and what not to say, right? He's already gone through it with me and coerced me into watching what I say, because this is very, very touchy subjects with a lot of things, and that's why if you ask me questions, I can't answer them. I can tell you a story, though, about myself, and you guys can read between the line. That's different. So, enough about that. Enough about that, guys. Wow, Naked is just on a little bit of a go today, eh? Hey, you guys can ask more questions if you want. Fire away. The chat board's freed. Notice I'm on longer today? I'm staying on long for the guys today because I have a feeling that today's going to be a pretty good day today. I might stay on my emails are just stacking up here for some reason. A lot of questions coming in. It's all good, though. I'll check those later. It's all good. So, yeah. Just checking things out. Okay, so we've already, the volume here is at 152.30 million shares. I'm just waiting for that big flood of people coming in. It's coming. Trust me, it's coming. Oops. I got to keep remembering to blow this up for you guys here. I'm sorry about that. I know, because I'm looking on the screen. I can't even see it, hardly. Do you think AMC will break 60 today? Possibly. Yeah, I could see that happening. I'm not putting my life on the line for it, but that's what I was saying. You were thinking the same thing as me. I'm waiting for that big flux of people to come in, because that'll drive the thing right up. And we have set ourselves up for a good run. We are done everything perfect today. This is beautiful stuff. Very good looking. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Very, very very consistent, right? Everything about it, even the down action is good consistently, right? It's not drove down like a ladder attack, like where it's one big line all the way down. It's actually gone in segments and then it's held up by green bars, okay? Which is very, very bullish sign, okay? I would love it to go to above 60. I'd love to smash to the roof, right? I'm having a 2-second break here, guys. Just like this. What's my position on AMC? I can tell you that. Not a problem. I like to share that information. I have it $14 and some chump change. I can't remember the exact thing. It's $14.23. And I have let me think here. I have 700 and some odd shares. I don't know the exact amount. I just know the exact amount altogether. That's through TD. And then I through my broker, wealthsimple.com, my trading platform there. Oh yeah, you guys can use that too. Just use the activation code down below and you'll get yourself $10 in free money, and you can buy stocks with that. You have to put $100 or more in, okay, to activate it. And I don't know if you get that right away or if you have to wait a bit. I don't know how that works because I've never been on the other end, but they do follow through with it, okay? A couple of people have just used it in the last, I think, day. I think I just got an email the other day over about it. So anyways, yeah, and then the second one through wealthsimple.com trading platform is $8.20. So there you go. And I bought 188 shares in there, and I just actually bought more the other day through TD. I topped up with another 100 shares. And I bought those at $21, which just levels it out, which puts me at, instead of when I bought, because I was through TD Bank, remember I said I bought at $14.23, it made it worth $14.25, because I added some to it at a higher price. It just figures it out and levels it out. So I own 900, so let me do the math here. 944 shares or something like that, almost 1,000. So that's why I'm in pretty big on it. I've spent probably about 14,000 US around there, over total, around there, give or take. I don't know the exact amount. Is that what you're after, FF? Is that those numbers? Is that what you're after? Okay. Do. Come on. Antarnas, go up. Yeah, Air Canada is slowly creeping up. today? Cost is going up too. Let's have a look at that. That's another meme stock here. I don't know if you guys own any of this stuff, but just be careful. That's all I'm saying. Be careful. Because usually, like, look at all another thing you can watch for, guys, is all the red. If you see a lot of red on a stock, that's a warning sign. Okay, I know a lot of you own it, even the guys that are probably on this channel. I'm not dogging the stock at all. I'm just, be aware. You got to be aware. It's like walking into a job site and you always check out your hazards. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're a woman, man. You always look around your surroundings and what are the negatives. Okay, same thing as in the stock market. You always check out. You don't go in there with blinders on. You go in there and check everything out. Like we already talked about, past history, what the stock's trading, the lows, the highs, the volume. It doesn't matter if somebody likes it or they don't. That is off the table. Who cares about that? If somebody's dogging on the stock or whatever, that doesn't mean anything. Your company credentials, do they owe money? That helps a lot, but that's not the big part of the puzzle. Okay, it does make it a big thing. The news can drive a stock up and down, okay? Because you got those long investors like the multimillionaires, and there might be even a couple millionaires on here, right? Multimillionaires, right? But actually, you all are if you've owned AMC and MicroVision, right? Definitely AMC, you're a millionaire. Those stocks are going to be worth a lot of money, man. So if it's true what everybody's saying, right? Now we're at 55, 24, $15 and 16 cents. Come on, baby. We got it. We got a sign there to pump. Go, 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 go. You got the indicators. Go. It's telling us. Go. Come on. You got all the indicators sitting there. Go. Come on. You can do it. There you go. It's telling me that it's going to go. Come on. We just need that volume. Damn it, that thing would have gone up huge. We got all the signs right here. Right there, that friggin' tailwind. We have it all sitting there in front of us. We just don't have that volume yet. That would have gone up into here, okay? For sure, it would have been up to like 27 out of that. 26, 27 out of that. If we would have had that volume. Here's another one. No, didn't do it. Don't have the volume, guys. But that's okay, because it's just going to sit there and consolidate and keep on going up. Little steps. The at average price of $18.91. Is that what you bought in on? Yeah, I have 317. Oh, that's a good little chunk. That can make you some money. That can make you some money. Even 100 shares can be. It doesn't matter amount about that. So that's FF. I would definitely be watching this channel like a hawk. Like I said, I went and bought myself. It will be here today, maybe even one of those. I got a Samsung 3, right? So I can connect to a 4G or 5G or whatever it is. Whoops, what's going on here? So yeah, I can watch the stocks out of my loader, and I got my phone sit up there, and I went and bought a TV, flip down TV for. So I don't know. I won't be able to hook that up there, but I bought it for my truck. So yeah, I got you guys covered. And I got boosters on my phone and in my truck too, so I get full signal all the time. So yeah, that's okay. Thanks for sharing the personal information there. You didn't have to do that, but that's all good. You're in at that. Did you buy all of them at once at that, or do you have different positions in that? Or is that just the overall average? That's not bad. Okay, because so you're 18, I'll do some math for you. 18, so if that goes to $1,000, if it goes to $100, at $18 here, if it goes to $100, you made yourself about $38,000, somewhere around there. I think so. I think that's right. I have to get a calculator out. 300 and some odd shares. If you own 100 shares at $18 and it goes to $100, you just move the decimal point over. Yeah, you make yourself eight. Okay, if you have 100 shares at $18.91, that would be I know you have 307. I'm just doing the math here. That'd make you $18,000. Okay. I know I bought some when it was 8 and some at 12. Yeah. So you got different positions. Okay, good. No, that's what I do too, right? You're buying the dips. You're learning. You're learning, my friend. That's the way to do it. Okay. And then when you sell, a lot of people will, I don't know about what I'm going to do is, friends, let's use TD, Amtrade. Okay. TD. Or TD Canada, whatever one. They're both the same company. It's just they have different rules and stuff. When you go to cash out, it'll say we can't cash all of those at once, especially when you're cashing on a like substantial big chunk. Okay, it'll say that. It'll say you can't cash out that many, or we're going to take 2 cents or something off, or whatever. Cashing out in segments, but on a zero commission platform, it's okay to take it in chunks, but, well, it's so much money. So you're splitting hairs. I'm just trying to figure this out in my head because I really haven't thought about it to that degree, and I probably should because we're getting pretty close to stuff going to be happening pretty soon. I thought, well, we're almost up at 20% now. I seriously thought we were going to do a little bit better than we are today, but it's still young, okay? Like I said, steady, steady, steady. So yeah, I Ford with electric cars, man. I wouldn't spread myself too thin there, my friend. I would just concentrate on what you got. Right? I don't know how much money you got, but you gotta watch what you're doing. Electric car companies and stuff like that, yeah, they can go up. And yeah, you can make good money, but they can also go down too, especially with Musk tweeting shit all the time. All that fucking, pardon my language. I don't really care for the guy that much because he thinks he's God now and he tweets stuff and it just cripples the market. And that's not fair. That's not fair at all. And I've read some newspaper articles that he has people in different countries on their hands and knees all covered in blood mining lithium. The guy is, I don't know if that's true. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that one thing on Twitter there? You know the company Anonymous, the guy who comes up with the thing over his head, the Anonymous. Okay, he cyber attacked him and put it on his internet, right on his webpage, and showed him all the bad stuff about the guy. And I dug a little bit on it, and most of it's true. Like, wow. Okay, well, where's it? 56.66, $18.22. Here we go. Here we go. This is we go. Oh, yeah, the volume has picked up. This is exactly what we wanted. What time is it? And we're still young. We're still young. This will attract a lot of people today, seeing these numbers across the board, because they got scanners too, right? A lot of these big whales and stuff will have scanners in their office. And when they see this sets off the scanner. It'll start blinking red, right? And it'll start telling them that there's this stock's hot, right? A lot of people didn't know. Oh, do you know what was happening too? A lot of people were investing in the wrong stock too. That really screwed us up the other day. AMCX. Okay, that's not the one. Don't invest. For people on the chat passing through or whatever, if you're listening to this video, do not invest in AMCX. It's the wrong company, okay? AMC, there's two different companies. You want Entertainment Holdings, the movie chain, not the movie station, okay? There's another one too. A lot of people have invested in the wrong ones. That also crippled us the other day, okay? New investors. And do you know who put that out? The friggin' NewsHour. They did. In the States, there's a couple new, they're telling the wrong information. I'm just going to adjust my camera a bit here, guys. I'm getting all crooked on you. Is that a little bit better? We'll have to wait for it to play out a bit. There we go. Oh, I thought things were getting a little crazy there. I was starting to go like this. I must have bumped it earlier. So, Yeah, we're smashing around the $17, $18, or sorry, correction, $18. We're just touching it. Actually, we got a new line here, guys. We formed a new line right there. Let's get her listed. Let's get that baby going. Let's get the baby going here. It's right there. There's our new line. Remember, it can be off a bit. Okay, it does not rocket science here. So, and we're gonna lock that too. So, let me explain it. Okay, this was a touch point here. Even though it did bust through a bit, it's still classed as a touch. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 5, I'd say 6, 7, 6, and this is gonna be so that's a substantial line now. Okay, that would be a resistance line. Okay, this is classed as a support line now. Okay, once we get through this changes to a support line. Okay, do you guys understand that? Okay, good. I'm gonna answer for you. Good. I'm out of coffee here almost. I'm gonna have to blast off to the coffee machine for a minute and leave you guys. Any other questions, guys? FF's answering everything here, which is fine. I know you guys are maybe just kicking back and just enjoying the money coming in. You're probably looking at your phones going, oh yeah. I like it when it gets over the $59 range, $50 or $60 range. Then you know everybody's in the money. Everybody is in the money. Okay, even if you're stuck on the top holding the bag. Okay? Everybody's in the money. I love it when it's like that. That'd be nice. I'd love everything for everybody to be just... That'd be awesome today, man. That would make my day. What do you think? So yeah, electric car companies, I don't... To be honest with you, I really can't give you that much. I know I'm back on that topic again. I can't give you that much info on that, my friend, because I don't know. I've got a lot focused on these meme stocks right now because I know a lot of people are invested in it. Like I said, don't spread yourself too thin, my friend, because you can really screw yourself. And a lot of the seasoned traders on here on the channel right now will probably agree with me on that. Okay, I'm still trying to recover. I'm about 20 grand down on some of these stocks here. I'll tell them I'm not embarrassed to tell you. I'll tell you right now what I'm down on. Of course, the COVID pill. I'm down about $1,000 on that. This one, this BES, what it is a battery company that has lithium batteries in the States. I'm about $4,000 down on that. I'm about 89% in the hole on that. I got stung on that one. I bought it like $1 something. So that was a no good. I should have cashed out a long time ago, but I was new into trading. That was probably I'm not trading it. I'm not selling that until I get my money back, or at least close to it. Which other one did I get stung on here? Maybe they're not all on here. I thought I have everything on here. That's weird. Fuse Energy is not. Oh, it is right here. This one I got stung on too. It's like 10 cents. I bought it like 58 cents. I lost like $4,000 on that too. So there, what am I down? $8,000 right there. Okay. Yeah, it is good tempting when it hits 60 because I see good money, but I'm holding to... Yeah. Oh, dude. I'm not saying sell. I'm just saying that everybody's in the money if it hits 60 because that's as high as it's ever been, right? That according to this right here, it's saying 59.68, right? Yeah. I can't tell you what to do, but I can tell you a story. I'm not selling till the squeeze. That's just a no-brainer, right? Unless you need the money. Some traders will take as they go along to recover their money, and then whatever's left in the pot, they will hold. Everybody has their own methods, right? I'm not saying do that. I sometimes do that, but not with AMC, not with something that's big, not with something I know is going to make large. I'm in, or all out. Okay? I'm going to get money or I'm going to lose it all, right? A lot of my friends disagree with that. A lot of my traders friends that are actually real ticketed traders and brokers, which I do have inside information on a lot of things. That's why you'll wonder, how the hell does he know that? It's because I'm taught by a lot of it's myself, most of it is. And then you ask another question, do you think it'll squeeze this? The 18th is a very special date. There's a lot of stuff expiring the 18th, around the 18th, 19th, 20th. It could possibly then. Yes, it could possibly then. I won't, nobody knows the exact date. All we can do is go by statistics, okay? Numbers, all that kind of stuff. Yeah. And there's a lot of people that go get tarot card readings to find this stuff out, or go talk to a psychic to try to find this out. There's a lot of people trying everything different, trying to figure out when it's gonna. There's so many contributing factors into something this complex. Before, I think I've already gone through. I'm not going to go into it, but it goes everything from the news hour, because there's crap, but there's a lot of positives in that news anchor that screwed up, that admitted there's naked shorting. She probably doesn't have a job anymore. I don't know about that, but I would have fired her right on the spot. Sorry, but I would have. She just admit that that there's fraud. She just pretty much screwed everybody, especially Sentinel and Robinhood, all those companies that we knew that were doing naked shorting. She pretty much just put it right all on them. I don't know how the hell. Maybe she screwed that up unintentionally. I don't think so with that facial expression though. But yeah. Here we go. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. There we go. Beauty. Come on. Yeah, we got something pushing on us right now. Yeah, we got something happening here, guys. We got something pushing our candlesticks back down. Yeah, see that push? They're trying something right now. We pissed some people off. They might be... Yeah, it's 8:30 in the morning. Yeah, they're starting to attack us a bit here. It would look fishy, Kat. It would look fishy. Yeah, it would look fishy, definitely. But I think at this point... it's everything looks fishy. But yeah, that was pretty crazy stuff. I did cover that, didn't I put that on there? I think, or maybe I didn't. No, I didn't, because it was covered so many times that it's just redundant, right? I try to not cover stuff that's been covered too much. Come on, don't give us a red. It's gonna be hard for us to bust through that line, guys. To be honest with you, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it today. We're going to do it. Definitely. We're going to do it. Oh, BlackBerry's up 10.51%. Woo! Yep. All the meme stocks are up today. I'm going to go through some stuff. I'm going to go through some reading here. I haven't done it in a bit. Oh, no. Just hang on. Come on. Pound through that. Come on, punch it right through there and then hold it. We needed to bust through there, and then we need the next candlestick to go up a little bit, and then we're good. We're safe. Okay, we need to have two. We need to have 2 minutes of it, which means 2 candlesticks. Okay. Oh, the wick busted through, but that's not. Here we go. Come on. Fuck. Shit. It's just a really tough level right there. There's a lot riding on that. That's a resistance point. Huge right now. That's probably one of our strongest resistance points in the last couple days. Well, let's have a look here. I think I've already done this. It is. Oh, yeah. Look how many times we see. These are just wicks. Okay, we did it once, but that was first thing in the morning, I think. Yeah, we did it once, but we couldn't hold it. We got drove back down. There's a lot riding on that for some reason. Yeah, there you go. It drove us back down again. Oh. Damn it. Yeah, something's pushing on us right now. It's not normal. That's not normal trading. There's something pushing us. See that? They're attacking us right now. But we got enough volume. Oh, yeah, the volume's just coming in really good now. Oh, good. Here I'm just gonna hit the refresh here, guys. I just slowed down. What the fuck? Oh, no. Here it comes. Here comes the volume. I do definitely have a lag here on the system. Or Weeble's lagging. We're at 18 point. Oh, yeah. Look at this go. Yeah. 56.64. 16% across the friggin' board. In the green, that is. Come on, baby. Yeah, we're getting a ladder attack, guys. We're definitely getting a ladder attacked right now. I knew something was up. It just doesn't... oh, decent pushback. Come on. Bounce to the next stick. Yes, come on. Do it. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yes. Come on, baby. Remember I told you that line? It was going to go like shit once it goes through the line. There we go. Hold it. Next candlestick. We still got 30 seconds on this one. Come on. Yes. Beautiful. We're going higher. Come on, baby. There's your $60, guys. It'll be doing... Oh, come on. Fight it. They're attacking the shit out of us right now. Oh, yeah. Come on. The volume's just... Oh, it slowed back down again. Oh, here it comes. Here comes the volume. It's coming in segments. Lock in. Oh. Come on. Wouldn't that be nice? We need to... Oh, I don't know if we have enough volume to keep sustain that. We're at 20.25%. Come on. We're fighting like hell right now. Look at that, eh? You bastards. You friggin' bastards. Oh, they're attacking the shit out of us right now. If we didn't have this much volume coming out right now, we'd be so screwed. Man. It would drove us down. I won't even talk about it. Let's not even go there. Come on. We need to keep on getting these candlesticks stacked. I don't care if they're red right now. We just got to build some resistance here, guys. And then it will drive us to the next level. My chart doesn't even go up that high. It won't even go up any higher. Beautiful stuff. We're bouncing at 1990 and 20%. They're attacking the shit right now. You bastards. Fuck. It's not a good sign, guys. Come on, go. Oh. Whoa. What the hell was that? The hell was that? There has to be a lag in the system, man. Damn it. Shit. Oh no. You bastards. Come on. It's so early in the morning. We're only at Pacific Standard Time. We're only 8:37. We have a long day ahead of us today. Come on. We can hold it. Don't go through that line. Fuck. Oh. See that? That was a ladder attack right there. Straight up. See how much that dropped? Okay, somebody's selling out right now, an institution or something. How many shares is that dumped? Oh, fuck. Damn it. Fuck. We just needed a couple more. Oh, man. Yeah, they're having a sellout right now. Somebody's dumping shares. Shit. Or no. No. There's not that much volume in this. Yeah, somebody didn't like us being up that high, man. They did not like that. Somebody's unloading right now. Something's going on here, guys. Fuck. It'll be a very, very stressful day today, ladies and gentlemen. Oops, sorry. Oh. Good experience for new traders here. This is not normal, guys. This isn't normal. all these meme stocks doing this shit, it's not normal. This is not trading. And any senior guys on here can and probably vouch that with a thumbs up. This is not normal trading. This is not how stocks go. Okay? Like this up. See how fast that went up? See how fast that went up? See how fast it came back down? That's why up in segments is the best. Okay? We just went through that. Remember that was the educational from like about an hour ago? So here we go. We'll do it the proper way and keep on building it up. What were you at, FF? I'm just going to keep you. Okay, what were your numbers here? I'm just going back into my chat here. I just want to make sure I answered everybody's questions. Because when I follow channels or something and ask questions and people don't answer it, it really pisses me off, man. I think it's so disrespectful. You're spending the time to watch their channel and they can't even answer a frigging chat. They could even answer it afterwards. Even the chat after it stops, you can still answer the questions. Okay, I'm just going to check your up. Okay, you got Summit 8, Summit 12, and Summit 36. Well, you're in the money, FF. You're in the money, buddy. You're in the money good, actually, on Summit. You must be doing really good there, my friend. Fuckers. Dude, okay. I'm just gapping out on this thing. I can stare at this stuff all day. Okay, guys. I'm going to keep going on here and yattering around. MVIS is at 22.14. We're at 9.28. Oh, it went up. Sorry, I'll reread that again. 22.14, 9.28%. Do you think the hedge funds will stop the squeeze in any way? Yeah. They won't be able to stop it. No. But they're going to attack us. Yes, they will. They will. Unless they're under a microscope right now. That the world knows that this thing's being naked shorted. So definitely the government has to look into it now. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. Oh, and this week we get the readout of our share count, right? They're going to read that out in the next couple of days. Maybe, is it today? It usually takes about a week for that information to come in. And they're going to be surprised at how much naked short, but we already know that. Here we go. Come on. Fuck. That line's really important. Shit. Fuck. They don't want us to be up that high for some reason. Do we vote for that recount? No. We've already done that vote previous. What it is just a share count. We've already done the vote. You should have got your paperwork. You own AMC, didn't you? Or no, maybe you wouldn't have bought that. You would have bought that older a couple months ago. I've gotten paperwork twice now on it. No, what that one is that it's just a computer count. So what they're going to do is check all the number, like check, through Amtrade, TD. Okay, say you bought a certain amount of shares. They're just going to see how many shares if those are legit, right? It's just all done on the computer. And that's about it. We've already done the voting for the share. They're going to do another vote for some more shares. AMC wants to issue some more shares into the market. I don't think any of the traders will accept that. Okay. It's just, what it will do, it's not that many. It's just that they've already dumped 11 million shares and didn't even tell anybody they were doing it. It was kind of bullshit. But they should have done it when it was a little bit higher. They should have done it when it was in the hundreds, right? That's what I would have done. And they would have made more money. They would have made double off those shares instead of doing it when we just hit, $60? And then they attack us? I call that an attack by the company. Okay, that was a shyster, slimy move. Okay, that's just my opinion. But, yeah, that was kind of screwbally. So... The count's already been done, FF. It was done on the 2nd. I think that's the date. Correct me if I'm wrong, second or third or something. I can't remember. It's anything in the past I don't remember because I'm always into the future trying to do stuff, right? Okay, guys, I'm gonna do some number reading here, guys. Sorry, I'm just I'm trying to read the chart here for you guys. This is actually looking really good. I know you guys are like, oh, what's Cameron fucking on? Is he on glue again? No, I'm actually just reading this. Okay, this is a good sign right here. We're gonna consult here and we're gonna smash through this again. What comes up fast comes down fast. I didn't want to say anything, but the past history of AMC and MicroVision is when it does that run, it runs back down, okay? But when it consolidates, it's harder for them to do that because we got a substantial amount of volume, okay? What we want to do is see a green here about up to here, and then we want it to kick over, and even if it goes red down to about here is fine. If it goes green up to here and just works our way up, okay? See exactly what I just said. I don't think we'll punch through that line, not on that candlestick. We've got to get more volume. So if this locks in right here, we get a red one to bring it to about here, and then a green one will take us up to about here, okay? I would love green. I would love that, but it's just not how AMC works. Fuck. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I know you got kids and you're watching, especially the parents home watching this. Do have kids beside you. Sorry about that. And I've never been warned on that. There you go. And even that stays red and locks in, we just don't want it to go down to here. But if that locks in right there, the next one will take us up through there. You know that. I'll take a green too, though. Yeah. Oh, the wick punched through. But it got drove back down. Come on, baby. Yeah, our volume's... It's all right. Oh, we just did it. Every time I take my eyes off the... Whoa. Ooh, that's a pretty big jump. Yeah, I knew it would get pushed down a bit on that. There we go. Lock in. Come on, fucker. You got to lock in there. I want a ticker. Oh, I do have the seconds here. Oh, I never even noticed that before. Webull actually has a second chart on it. So it kicks over at exactly 10 seconds after the minute. That's when the 1 minute candle chart kicks over. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, we're at $57.12, 19.818%. So 19.14%, 18%, 18.999%. But we're at 57.10. Put it that way, okay? So we're actually at 183.3 million. Okay, shares that have already gone through the volume. That's just the whole volume, okay? We've overturned 36.57%. We're doing not bad. We're doing the steady crawl. Ooh, look at that big gap there. What the hell happened there? That's weird. That's friggin' weird. Watch, it'll correct itself. Yeah, I knew it would correct itself. Yeah, because that doesn't make sense. That's fine. Now jump over. Don't go past the friggin' line again. You bastard. Now lock in and go higher. We need some consolidation now. Looks like we're going to get our $60 today, guys. Yeah. Fuck, it's only 9 o'clock. Not even. It's only... Come on. Push it. Back up. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, somebody's pissed at us right now. They don't want it to be this high for some reason. Well, they don't want it to be any height. Ah, damn it. Fuck. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of this action like this, guys, today. Okay? I'm just preparing you for that. So, anyways, we've already covered all this. Outstanding shares, same. Okay. I'm just going to have a look over here. Oh, wow. MVIS is just going today, eh? Let's jump over here for a minute. Oh, wow. Look at that, eh? It broke through our line. I drew that line here for you guys. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Beautiful. That's nice. That's a little bit sharp on the increase, though. A little bit sharp. Yeah. You guys got to get more consolidation, some more consult. But it's doing really good today. So yeah, you guys on MicroVision, you got to make your decisions, right? You got to have your. I know this is going to squeeze, but some people aren't waiting for the squeeze. They just want to exit out, right? There's a lot of different scenarios. Okay, you got to remember that. Not everybody thinks the same, right? Okay, Justin, time for me to get the kids ready to head to work. Yeah, my friend. I'll be back tomorrow morning. Okay, Justin, I'm on Pacific Standard Time. I'm on at 4:10 in the morning. I'm back to work too, my friend. Okay, it's going to be a little early, but you can always watch. I'm only on for 15 minutes, okay, in the mornings. But I'll do the pre-market reading for you guys. Okay, if your delay is lower, remember to try ultra low settings. Okay, thank you. I'm going to write that down. Thanks, Justin. You have a great day, okay? And don't worry, I got the market for you. Just remember, have your phone turned on in case this thing does squeeze today. It can happen any day now. Put it back over here to AMC. Shit. Yeah, no kidding, Kat. I was actually thinking of you. I was actually thinking of you on this one. When I said that, I just. Oh, thanks, buddy. 6MT. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it, guys. It makes me feel good because of doing my time. Like I said, I don't get paid for this. I do this for you guys, right? Because I could go sit in my living room on my 70-inch TV and watch this, right? I just log on to I just put Weeble on there, but I don't mind doing this for you guys. Okay. Bye, Justin. Okay, did ultra low. Ultra low setting. Thank you guys for helping me improve. That it helps everything out. Okay, we'll circle that because that has to be done. Okay. I'm going to take a break here for a second, guys. I'm going to leave this with you. I'm just going to run and get some more coffee if you guys don't mind. I'm not abandoning you. Okay. I'll be back. I got to go get some more coffee. Okay. I'll see you in a minute. Okie dokie. Oh, okay. What did I miss? What, it hasn't squeezed yet? We're actually not looking that. Whoa, we got a new line here, guys. We got a new you just gotta love titanium plates in your neck, eh? Oh, crunch, crunch, crunch. Okay, we got a new line forming here, guys. We're gonna put that down here. We got a new test line here, right there. We're gonna lock it. Oops, I'm a little off on that line. I'm going to take that off there, actually. I messed up here. Shit. Fuckers, man. Sorry. Swearing. Damn it. Yeah, you better retract that. You better take that all back. Bastards. What is going on? Come on. Hopefully somebody will buy this red, man, a little bit. This little bit of a shallow dip here. You're going to save yourself a little bit of money, especially if you're buying a lot of shit. Okay, where's that line here? This is the line I was looking for. Right there. So, we're going to lock that. Okay. How many times is that banged off that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4. We're going to go right above that. Watch this. There we go. Oh, yeah. Beauty. Beauty. Oh. What? Did you just... Am I seeing things? Wow. I've never seen a candle... Oh, I knew it would correct itself. You bastard. There's no way that a candle can go from red like that. That was crazy. Yeah, I got to figure out the lag problem here. I'm actually going to contact... I'm actually going to go check my messages live here. I got something from Webull here. What's going on here? Oh, it's just a price alert. Okay. See how I have everything set up here, guys? You guys should do the same, okay? Just in case something happens when I do my podcast, SOS. Sorry about that. My dog attacked me. Not attacked me, but wanted pets when I was in the kitchen, and okay, what was it? Oh, you were talking to Jess. I thought you were asking me a question. Okay. I'm in a really good mood today because this is beautiful stuff. I know the human mind likes to achieve higher and higher and higher. It's just normal. But guys, you should be so proud. And ladies and gentlemen, sorry, I'm not just guys, because we do, no disrespect, Kat, and I know there's probably a couple other ladies on here. You should be very proud of yourself. I've been on 2 hours? Wow. I must really like you guys. I'm just joking. So, but anyways, you should be very proud of yourself, because if you watch that last video about all the crap that we put up with, the media attacking us, lying to us, giving us wrong ticker symbols to buy into, all that stuff. So I'm just looking at the volume coming in here. We're doing pretty good right now. Sorry, that just caught my eye. So yeah, all the media, all the ladder attacks, all the hedge fund bullshit, all the screwing things up of your brokers not letting you buy options now, that screws us up too. Those options drove the prices up to 100+, up to 90 to 100% that day because of all those options and all those puts. There's companies not allowing that now. Well, that actually takes a while for everybody to calibrate and to find somebody that does. A lot of people just trade options, right? They don't just hold like we are doing, right? So that kind of messes us up a bit too. They were trying every frigging thing to screw us over here. It's not going to work because the proof is in the pudding, right? Like I always say, right? And we all want to make cheddar, right? Do you know when? No, I don't. No, I don't. But Con Air will. He's the master of news here. He digs, man. He's our go-to guy now. I just made you a title now. No, he's really good at. I've noticed that with him. We've been talking and stuff. He's really good at finding information out and stuff. I'm limited to some stuff. Because of my work hours and stuff, right? I only can do so much, guys. Like I'm working 12-hour days and I got to drive an hour and a half each day, each way, right? I live outside the city. Okay. So, but yeah, do you know when the next, I don't know, but we'll find that out. Alzheimer's. Oh, really? Sebastian, how you doing today, bud? I remember, yeah, you were on here a couple times already. How you doing? How's your day going? Are you a AMC holder, or are you just into multiple stocks, or are you into MicroVision? Or are you? Because I've never actually had a chance to talk to you guys because I was always in a rush trying to get everything set up and stuff. Now the computer's all set up. I'm still waiting for the laptop. I still got that 4K laptop coming, right? I keep on burning them out. That's the second one now. So it should be here today. I'm hoping. But it should be awesome because I'm actually running only 2 screens right now and trying to multitask. Usually I got my chat on the left, but I got my chat bar on the left, and then I got my software to convert it all, and then I got my scanner here. I'm only using 1 scanner right now. I like to have 2 scanners going, right? I'm only using Webull right now as my scanner, which it's not really. Okay, we're definitely getting attacked as usual. I know I keep on saying that we're reiterating it, but it's true, right? I know you guys like me broadcasting it. Oh, you're on AC? Good. Oh, you're into call options. Okay. Yeah, man. You can make some good money in that. What? Obviously, you're a seasoned trader. I made $500K from AMC already. Wow, buddy. You've made more than the Wolfpack has. That's good for you. But yeah, you obviously know what you're doing because call options you can really hurt yourself with that. I don't dabble in that. I would. It's just I try to keep it really simple because there's a lot of new traders that are on subscribe to my channel, which I welcome. I should say a majority of the big companies won't even talk to new traders. Like if you message them, they'll just bypass you and not even talk to you. Like even when I go into those big channels and they know who I am, I message them. They won't even talk to me, man. A lot of them don't like me because I take the time to actually talk to everybody. Yep, that's right. That's right. That's right, Con Air. Yep, that's the proven fact. I'm just going to check some messages here. Twitter's going crazy. Oh my God. Guess who just tweeted? Mr. Musky Pants. Fuck. Noble Dodge. He's going to get... See, he has so much money, he gets lawsuit after lawsuit. You can't do that. That's driving stocks up by that. So I'm not going to... I did a TikTok video the other day, just about CS trades. I've never been on it before, right? And I just, holy crow, this friggin' thing went viral. And it was because I just got all these new lights up in my thing, so... That's funny. Yeah. So anyways, I had a couple drinks, right? On, what was it, Friday night? So anyways, I just set up in my trading studio here. I just set up all these LED lights and stuff. You can probably see it coming off my shirt, right? But I lit up underneath, and then I got all around the back all lit. I'm just waiting for the 65-inch TV so I can do live news too. So I got everything covered, right? But yeah, I got a couple drinks into me, right? So nighttime hit, and I didn't realize how bright these lights are. They're all controlled off this. It was only $25 on Amazon. They're all controlled off this thing to voice everything. This thing's friggin' cool. So I'm gonna put them in my kitchen now. Above, we're getting all new cabinets We're just waiting for Home Depot to come in and install them. It's like $16,000 to $18,000. We're getting our whole kitchen redone, right? We're putting a cappuccino bar and all that stuff in there. It's from my work. It's nothing to do with trading, right? I do work, so it's actually money. So you don't worry, I'm not cashing in any stock. So here nor there, I did this post, this thing on chat or on TikTok. I had no idea what I'm doing. So I hit it, and I didn't know that it went live, right? I knew I was live, but I didn't know that when I stopped it was automatically going to upload. Well, all of a sudden, the phone ding, 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 ding. I'm like, what the hell's going on? I check it the next day. I'm like, oh my God, the worst video on the planet. No, it wasn't that bad. But you could tell I had a couple drinks in me. I was slurring a bit. But it was funny because I don't drink that much, right? I only drink maybe like twice a month, maybe every 3 months, maybe once, right? Not much of a drinker. But when I do, I guess I'm Mr. Happy. Right? I love you, man. One of those guys. So, okay, what do we got going on here now? Everything's taken a bit of a dip. Everything except BlackBerry, BB. Yeah, everything's leveled off. Sundial is even down a couple percent. Except MicroVision is holding, which is good. Good. There's a lot of people in on MicroVision right now. So we're back at $56. $56, and we're testing the waters again. We dropped below my horizontal trend line here. The second one, which is fine. We're still hitting like I said, a lot of people are just getting out of bed right now too, right? Some of the night traders. There's a lot of people that will trade at night. I have 1,000 shares on BB. That's the shit, bud. That could be the next Tesla, and I'm not joking. Like I said, they're into cybersecurity. All the Canadian government uses them for CPP. The military uses them. They have the best security platform in the world right now. It's all major encrypted. Yeah, I know. Isn't that weird? I think they're not attacking that stock today, Kat. Let's take a jump over there. I sure get a lot of requests from friends on Facebook. I don't accept unless I really know you. Right? I know I have it on. No, I don't have it on there. No, I don't. It's just that I just don't, because then what you do is you get all those advertising and stuff. Everybody wants to sell you Bitcoin. I'm like, dude, do you know I have my... I don't... Yeah. Anyways. Let's not even go there. It's all this Telegram trail crap and Weeble. I'm not Weeble, sorry. What's the other one? What's that platform that you talk on? WeChat or whatever. So anyways, MVIS, $22.84, 12.69% as I speak. The high of today was 22.95. So yeah, it's looking good. And this is very rare. I'm not going to say anything because I believe in karma, and I don't like talking about stuff because it's just not good. It's doing good, and that's all I'm going to say right now. Something has happened with this stock in AMC. I don't know if the CSC has cracked down, or they've had a meeting with these big hedge funds that they've been put under the spotlight. Okay, something's happened, but let's just not question it, okay? Because this is very, very good. I'm seeing a lot of green, okay? Let's blow this up. See, look at this. But look at this. Look at this. Compared to all that. Oh, no, that's not normal. But compared to that, look at all that red. See? So... anyways, we busted through my trend lines. Okay, I've got some chats coming in here from Sebastian. They are saying it may run up to $400 or $500 from 26. Really? Well, that would be good. Not bad. That would be good. Okay. What, Sebastian? You have to be more clear on this, buddy. What is this, a ticker symbol you want me to look up right here? Is that what you want me to do, my friend? Because I can. You have two different things here. Just put the ticker symbol down there if you want me to look something up. If not, It's just from a text, as you guys know, it's hard to understand things, right? Right? Like a text can be taken or a chat can be taken 10 different ways. Okay? So let's just, whoops, wrong chart. Let's zoom out here. Oh, look at this go. Oh, we're going to break a new record here for the day right now. Ah, we just did it. We just set a new record for the day. Are you watching this, cat? Oh, Sebastian. Oh, you guys are talking. Sorry. You must have a big smile on your face right now, cat, and I know why. I'm trying to get into the trading. It's halted. Okay, is it a breaker halt? What kind of halt is it saying? Because that's sometimes a signal to watch yourself. Okay, that might be a volatile halt, and if it is, watch what the hell you're doing because that might have a cool down period. Beautiful, beautiful. A little bit of consultant. She's going to pump that right up a little bit higher. They're letting this free float today. This is how a stock's supposed to run, guys. This is how a stock's supposed to run. This is frigging insane. They've only overturned 18.3 million, okay? And they've overturned 12.35% without being touched and fondled by the hedgies. So that's kind of creepy, but they're creepy people anyways. So, yeah, that's nice. Very nice stuff. And we're gonna do it again. Watch this. New high. 2 new highs right there. Another new high. Another high. Okay, we're breaking new levels right now. What is the highest this ever? I'm trying to find the highest. $28. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful consolidation. Right now, lock in. Now go over and keep on going up. Oh. Beautiful stuff. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I haven't been broadcasting that, guys. I'm just so into the market today. It's a very beautiful day. All you guys, if you want more, if you want to come see me or you want to get the notifications when these things squeeze, I'm covering MVIS, MicroVision, when it squeezes. I will be sending out a podcast saying SOS squeeze, same as when it's selling. When it starts to sell, you do your own DD when you sell, but we're going to be selling live, and we'll be sending out a podcast. If you want that notification, you got to hit the sub, because how am I going to get a hold of you? Just common sense, okay? So that's all you have to do is hit the sub, and I got you taken care of on this end anyways. So there you go. Okay, I'm just watching this for a minute here. I'm watching AMC. We're at 56.44. And we're at 17.76% right now on AMC ticker symbol. That'd be AMC Entertainment Holdings, not AMC X. Okay? That's the wrong stock. Or AMC, the actual cable channel, that's the wrong stock. A lot of new people are investing in the wrong stocks. Okay? Okay. I'm just going to check this out, my friend. Sebastian, I'm just going to jump on here because we're getting a little bit of, we're going to have to get some consolidation because we have very low volume coming in here today, which is, I'm glad that they're leaving this stock alone like this, especially if this goes up in the green. They're definitely not attacking this. Wow. Yeah, that's normal stock trading, man. Even with the red, that's normal. Like, there's no volume coming in here. That's totally normal. Totally normal today on this. Somebody must have got their PP slapped, it sounds like. Go to StockWits. I can do it on my cell phone, my friend. I can't transfer right now. I could lose the whole thing, okay? I've done that in the past, but I can do, if I can look that symbol up here, is it not on, it should be on BB. I mean, it should be on Webull. Okay, B, is that B? Is that B-I? B-I-I? Sorry for blowing in the mic. I just had some stuff on my keyboard there. Is this it? No, this can't be it. Oh, it is suspended. Yeah. This is the one then. You said suspended. Well, I know why it's suspended. It bled like hell. That's obvious why it's... Holy shit. Holy crap. Oh, buddy. That's bad. What the hell happened here? I know why this went down. It's in a volatility halt. That's what it is. Oh, yeah, they're waiting for this to cool off, man. What happened here? I don't even need to look at the stock. I can tell. It went up really high and slammed. Because what comes up goes down. Just like that. Oh, my God. Okay, look at the comments. The comments on this, on this one, I can't, bud. I can't on this. Go read the comments, please. Can you snapshot and put it on the chat bar? I don't know if you can. I can't go in the comments on here. Or can I? Just hang on. No, I can't. No, I can't, because if I do, I don't want to lose the whole stream, guys. There'll be a lot of people pissed off at me. And it's just that... Yes, you can. Okay, where... I don't know, man. I am going to reload this, though. Okay, buddy. I'll look at the comments in a bit. I just, I don't want to lose my whole stream. It's not worth it, man. I am going to look at that. I'm going to save that, though, brother. I'm saving that, okay? It's going to be added to our portfolio on the left side. Just because I've seen you here a couple times, just like what I do to anybody else. But if you're just passing through, which I know you're not, I don't save stuff like that, okay? There's actually a couple things I want to get rid of because I have not seen this guy again that mentioned this stuff. We've got to make some room for some new stuff here, guys. But, yeah. Where's it? Orbital energy. So that's a good one. We'll keep an eye on that. Okay. Sebastian, thanks for bringing that to our attention. I'd like to see stocks like that because we can learn off of it. Okay. So we are going to go back to AMC, Entertainment Holdings. We just broke through my temporary line of support. It would have been a line. It actually is in between a line of support and a line of resistance. As soon as it locks in the next one, then it's a line of support. Right now it's a line of resistance because it still hasn't finished its candlestick. Oh, now it's a line of support. Oh. Nice recovery. Nice recovery. Nope, spoke too soon. What do we got for volume coming in this bad boy? Yeah, it's pretty slow for AMC. Well, we're halfway through the trading session. Usually we turn over about 400 mil, right? Roughly. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Sebastian, you're right. Yeah, that's right. It will. The longer it consolidates, it builds momentum. That's right. And you're going to see it right now a little bit. Between this candlestick and the next one, over. That's a spin top, okay? You got the body equal candles, equal wicks on each side. It's called a spin top, okay? A little bit of education. Okay, we're going to go through some stuff here. AMC Entertainment Holdings for the people who are just listening to this on audio. We are at 56.28. $56.28. Well, it's going up. $56.48. Here we go. This is what we wanted. This is what we wanted. Exactly what you're talking about, Sebastian. So we're at 17.60%. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, we're just going to play this game back and forth for a while. And then when power hour hits, that's when the true test is. That's our lock-in levels, right? This week's going to be nuts, 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 nuts. I'm actually surprised. Oh, no, the volume's starting to come in now a little bit more. Yeah, we're getting a lot of volume right now, guys. It just bumped up probably almost double. Yeah, it's coming in really good now. That's weird how long it took me for my order to get filled this morning on MicroVision. That's weird. That order was put in. Yeah, that was weird. That took like an hour. I'm just gonna, don't mind me. I'm just gonna check our. CS Trades Wolfpack's bank account here. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. I like to do this for you guys just because I like to be transparent, okay, as much as I can. Holy Jesus, we're up to $86,000 right now. That's true. Yes, Sebastian, yes, that's what's happening. And then they're watching what they're doing on the ladder. They're screwed. They are so screwed, a lot of them, okay? And they can't get out. No, they have their days to cover are ending, and oh yeah, it's a nightmare. And some of them have doubled down. That's why some banks won't even take them now on option trading. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, and those two stocks that I was talking about, the ones that I got stung on, are still sitting at zero. That's what the gray means. Okay, this is where our money's in holdings right now. We're at $86,792.20 as we speak. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. Come on, Cameron, put the camera up. There's a lag, eh? I don't know. It's kind of blurry. It's kind of blurry. That's just one of our trading accounts. So Wolfpack is doing pretty good. Yeah, we're getting a bad... Oh, the light's on. We'll see if that's a little bit better for you. We'll check that. Yeah, I hate this lag. I've been holding this up for like 3 seconds now, or 5 seconds. Oh, that's 20. Wrong one. Wrong account. Sorry. There's the right account. Sorry about that. I had the wrong account up. That was our other account. So we're about 100,000 right now. That's weird how it doesn't show. Okay, anyways, you got the point. You guys got the point. So, back to reality, back to reality. So yeah, we're at, what's 22 plus, I gotta see that again. 22,000. Okay, 22,000 plus 86,000, 87,000 pretty much. Yeah, now it's at 87,000. So 87, 60, 70, 80, 100 G. That's not bad for one stock. And that's not my money. That's Wolfpack's money, man. So that strictly goes to donations, which we'll be doing live to the Animal Society when we cash out, which will be not for a while, as long as... Whoa, look at that, eh? Whoa! That's a little bit high for my liking. Oh, no. We did have a lot of consolidation here, though. So, I just I don't see that sustaining that high right now. I like it to lock in and then keep on going up in segments. We have a lot of volume coming in. That's what happened. Oh, yeah, almost 900 and it's still going. Still going. I don't think it tells you the right number until it locks in. Yeah, we're 18.87%. 18%. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. Wow. Shit. That's going to have to switch green because that's not a red candlestick. Come on, Weeble. There we go. 1,170,526 shares were 1 minute put into the market in AMC. And why does it keep on going red? It's bullshit. Yeah, there's something wrong with their platform today. Okay, I'm gonna do a reading of everything here. Our high is $59.68. Okay, our volume as we speak right now is 202.18 million shares. Okay, that's our volume. We've overturned 40.38% today. I'm just gonna hit this camera back light on here. Okie dokie. And everything else is self-explanatory. Outstanding shares, free float. I don't believe any of those numbers, so I'm not going to read them because it's bullshit. It's false information. Nobody knows that to rate to the T because of the synthetic shares and naked shorting out there. BB's up to 1885. Wow, 12.60%. That's pretty good for BlackBerry. They're doing good today. Sundial's at ticker symbol SNDL is at $1.18. They're at 9.08%. MicroVision's at $23.03. Just switched to 14%. Dead on. $23.13. They're having a run right now. We're going to jump over there. Yeah, they're having a bit of a go right now here. Go. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. Nothing wrong with that. Look at that. Look at that consolidation all the way up there. But look at that. What goes up must come down. That's why I just right there. That's why that with no consolidation behind it, it just doesn't do anything, right? Beautiful, beautiful stuff though. So we've it's broke some new records since I was back here. We're at $23.38 is the high of the day. Don't mind me, guys. I know I'm twitching around here. It's just that, as you guys know that watch my channel, I have steel plates in my neck. They're all steel plates. I was in a bad motor vehicle accident. My neck was snapped in 2 different places. I'm surprised I can still walk and work. Right? That's why I'm going to bounce off here pretty soon, guys. This is the longest I've been on. 3 hours. Yeah, that's why I'm hurting today. This is the longest I've been on in probably a month. It's just I don't feel that bad today because of the warm weather, right? But I'm going to be back to work. So Pacific Standard Time, I'll be on at 4:15 in the morning. So I don't know if you guys are up that early, but it'd be pre-market reading, and which will get you guys set up for the day. And I'll be watching the market all day. Okay, we're going to jump off of MVIS. We're going to go on to something else here. I'm just having to look up the board. Doji, the only crypto I cover, is down it's at 0.3591. It's negative 4.42. So Muscle Pants there didn't like the negative. That's why he had to tweet that. The only one, Doji. Yeah, sure. Costs is at $29.80. $29.80 is at positive 10.58% as we speak. Okay, this new church ticker symbol that we are watching, that electric vehicle car company that somebody pointed out today to me, CCIV, is at $25.72. They're having a good day also. It's at 7.37%. So 7.37% in the green. That is. That BIIB is still suspended. It's a volatility suspension. Okay, guys, we're going to jump back over to AMC. Yeah, we're back below our second line that we drew up. This is just going to keep them bouncing around today. I'm very, very confident that we're gonna stay in the green today. Like we all know, this stock, a little bit each day builds us up to substantial hundreds and hundreds of percent above average. Okay, that's the way this has to work. Oh, thanks. I'm not up that early. Yeah, no, I don't want to be up that early either, brother. Oh, thanks, buddy. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate that stuff. I really do appreciate that. And I want you guys all to have a great day. And for you guys that are at work watching this, I know there's a couple of you. Don't work too hard. Work safe. And yeah, that's the good thing about having this recorded, that you can watch it after on that. So yeah, I'll set you guys up for the morning market. At least you'll have a good reading and you'll know what happened at that time. And then have your notifications on, guys, because any day this thing could go to a squeeze, any one of these, MicroVision or AMC. Okay, so those are the two that I'm going to be watching right now. Those are the two that are closest to a squeeze that I can see. It can be any day now. I don't know the date, or else I'd be a multimillionaire already. All I can do is do the chart reading for you guys and get it out there. Okay, any new news or anything like that, you can always send me an email and I will dig into it and find out what I can cover and that stuff as you know I'm working. Okay, guys, Wolfpack, keep it real. And at the bottom, you can hit the sub button if you want to see more content. If you want to get your notifications of the SOS for either one of those when they squeeze, you just got to hit the sub button. And if you want to, if you have wanted to do some investing or you wanted to use a new broker with zero commission, you can use wealthsimple.com. It's my broker. You put $100 or more in the bottom, you can get yourself $10 free stock. And you can buy, or sorry, I'll reword that. $10 Canadian free money. You can use that to buy stock. I got to reword that. I'll get myself into trouble by them. Okay, so anyways, hopefully I answered, deal with the, I think now I will deal with the BLB. Yeah, Sebastian, I'm going to keep an eye on that, brother, and I will definitely cover that. I'll try to remember to cover that in the morning for you, okay? They might lift suspension today. It might lock down for the day. That was a pretty brutal stuff on there. So I will go read those comments for you on there now that I'm off. Okay, I'm actually going to use a different platform. I will go check that out on my phone. It's a little bit easier to use. Okay, guys, I'm over and out. Keep it real, Wolfpack. Have a great day.